Hello all, happy Friday, happy Friday. Welcome to the stream. Welcome. Cat Wiggles, Mr. Splints. Looks like Splints and Cat caught the Pokemon. Who else do we have here? Who did I miss? Michigan! Welcome everyone, welcome to the stream. Thanks for the hacks, Wiggles, thanks. Yes, we're getting all the hacks on. It's Marbles night, you know it. That's what we do here. We hacks and wax, and those two things rhyme. So there we go. Are we winning yet? Are we winning yet? That's the question. Roar. Oh no! Did you break it? Did you break it? It didn't roar back. Let me restart it. Let me restart it. I think Splints broke the bot. Let me fix it. Let me fix it. Oh, so I'm gonna get some marbles ready here for us. I just gotta hit the button, I think. Like play. And so y'all can start. Of course, the bot doesn't want to connect. Let's do this. And let's do this. Okay. And now it should work. Let's find out. I hit it twice. Why is it not working? Bots being mean. Will at least like hug people and stuff? Yeah. It just doesn't want to do any sounds today. I don't know. I don't know. Bots be bots. No sounds apparently. Who knows? It is connecting differently. To stream and to Twitch and everything the last couple times, but I didn't notice it not making noise before. That's just weird. Alright, chatbot. Let's see. Let's try this and okay, and this. I'm gonna try like sound settings. What other sounds do we got? I want to see this. But yes, join the race, guys. No sounds. But why? All the commands work. It's the same bot, but the sounds don't. No sound files. But welcome to the races, guys. Welcome. And it's Friday, and it's a stream. Can you tell? Because things don't work like they're supposed to. If things worked right the first time, you know, we would be doing great. And I'm gonna adjust some things. Dun, da, 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 da. Let's see, that works. And sigh, roar. Oh, I just want to growl at it and be like, "Arr! Why are you doing this to me?" Oh, all right, we're moving this down too. I don't know where, but we're putting it somewhere. There we go. And then go back to gaming and stream it off. There we go. Okay. Just kidding. It's all good. It's all good. Sammy, welcome to the stream. Thanks for playing. Thanks for rolling some marbles. We're going to do a Grand Prix. This is going to be a long Grand Prix with lots of things and stuff. So lots of races anyway. And hopefully we'll get some more records because, you know, that can totally be a thing. I believe our team is strong enough to do that. Also, I have not given up on this bot. Trying one more time. One more time! One more time, bot. One more time. What kind of things? I don't know. 3 stream streak, Michigan. GG. Good job. Okay, so we're gonna try to connect this way first. And then connect this way. And then close. And yeah, all the things didn't connect. Says they are though. Do. All right, let's see if the thing works. At least the command. No sound commands today. I don't know. It's probably a sound setting somewhere. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, let's try that. Nope. Alright, I'm gonna quit fighting with it. I'll fight with it another day. That's a problem for tomorrow, me. Not today, me. Alright, I'm gonna hit start. Start. But how is everybody? I hope you're doing awesome. I hope you're doing good. Do you guys want to hang out? Oh, thanks for the boops. I should boop you back. Oops. Alright, so the hug command worked earlier, but I only hugged myself, so I gotta do this again. Really? The bot is just being, I don't know. Anyway, Michigan gets the cookies. 1,000 cookies. We can hang, let us know. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna move over to Discord, and go to the Cats Live and find the community night peeps to hang out with. So I'll be over there doing things and stuff. Let's go. And nice. Welcome, Cat. Welcome, Michigan. Welcome to the stream. Let's see if this thing's gonna work and hear you guys' lovely voices today. You gonna say something for me?
Hello. Check 1 2.
1 2. Okay, do it again.
Check 1 2.
Woohoo! I can hear y'all.
Mango, Roger.
Better hear us. No, just kidding.
Or whatever.
Well, you know.
In military words.
Words?
Oh, foxtrot. That's one of them. Foxtrot.
Well, Wiggles is gonna show us how it's done today. He might be in the lead. I'm not really sure. We're gonna find out though. Yep. There goes Wiggles! Alright, who's next? Battlecat. Snappy! Hiya! Welcome to the stream, Snappy! Happy Friday! Hope you're doing great. Hope you're doing awesome.
It's Friday and a half.
Friday and a half?
Yeah.
Half of it's over?
Half.
Hi, Wiggles! Welcome! Hi, Splits! Welcome, everyone! Oh.
What up?
Let's see. I can't hear people in Discord very well, and I don't know why.
I can hear you fine.
Okay. I think it's stream.
I hear myself.
I don't blame you. I try not to hear myself. But yes.
Yeah.
Next race.
I have on your Discord. I have you muted, but it's like, cause if I don't, I'm gonna have it'll be like an echo. So I have to mute it.
One night I'll have to join the community night fun. Do it, Simmy. Do it. Just let me know. I'll give you permissions and you can jump right in. You're exhausted, but you're good, Snappy. I'm glad you're good, and I completely get exhausted. Week is long. It's been cold for everyone. So cold.
Yeah, what are you talking
And
about? Shorts weather out there.
it's not even over yet.
Well, in
Yeah.
Florida, yeah, it's like 50 something.
I know.
Like that
It's
is.
freezing again tonight. There
Yeah,
was
that's awesome,
chances. There was chance of snow flurries last night, but I wasn't going out at 2 a.m. to see them. Besides, it would be dark. How would I see them?
Anyways, if it was 50 degrees here, I'd be.
I'm not going out to see snow flurries in the dark.
I need to vent heated clothes. That'd make me rich.
I want to be asleep at that time, or at least in bed where it's warm. But yeah, oh, get this. So yeah, everybody in Florida is about to be sick as heck because tomorrow it's supposed to get to like 70 degrees. And then it's supposed to drop down to like 28 again the same night.
Stop. Shut them down. Open up shop. Oh.
Can we switch temperatures? Can we have 70 and you can have whatever it is here?
No, I don't.
Changing 40 degrees in one, 24-hour period is a lot of degrees to be changing.
I love being cold.
I'm gonna have a migraine, I can guarantee you. It'll be wonderful.
Cold has its, like, if it's, like, after me...
No, I love cold. That's why I live in the north.
Good. But sometimes I hate it, because it sucks.
You can always put more things on. Like when it's hot, you can't take your skin off. Just saying.
I mean, you can, but it's not pleasant.
Yeah.
It's
I
called...
can only take so much stuff
It's
off before
called
it becomes offensive.
air conditioning and ice and a pool and cold beverages.
I'll just vent heated clothing. Like there's like a little tiny tube that's throughout the whole entire clothes.
See,
you just press a button on your clothes and it heats your clothes.
Yeah, but see when it's hot outside, I can go inside to cool off. When it's cold outside, I can't get warm inside. No matter how warm it is, it's not warm.
Not everybody has air conditioning. Yeah, I guess you. Yeah.
Yeah.
Everybody
well, if you're in Florida and you don't have air conditioning, it's not a good time. I can tell you that. It's really not a good time. Everybody in Florida should mandatorily own air conditioning.
It's pretty humid out there, right? I mean,
yeah. Especially if you're like in a 2-story house and you don't have air conditioning, that's the worst. Trust me.
Yeah, you have to be rich to get like 2 different air conditioning rooms.
I had a friend growing up that didn't have AC, and the only AC was like there was a window unit upstairs and there was a window unit downstairs on the opposite side of the house, but that was it. So it was like 100 degrees outside with the front doors and the windows open. And it's just miserable.
Yeah, my buddy used to come over here during the summer because I had air conditioning. He didn't. That's what he told me.
Yeah. Nico Dash. Welcome to the stream. Welcome. Do it, Sammy. Do it. Join us. You're more than welcome to join us tonight if you're up for it. I'm down.
I won second.
Simi is Crowley's person. Crowley's friend, so. Team Michigan. GG. Not up for tonight. Brain go burr. I get that. Completely understand. It's time to chill and relax. And do you. Do what makes you feel better.
Whoops, too early.
I was going to say you're a little early.
Oh, I already copied and pasted it and accidentally hit enter.
Oh, look.
That's what I do too sometimes.
Do you like my tentacle? And then my little dude's head covering.
Do you like my tentacle?
The little blue swirly thing is a tentacle, and then I have a little weird looking jellyfish dude on my marble. So it's cool. It's a thing. And again, modifiers are in the app, and now the drops are on. You'll be earning this stuff to buy this stuff. So.
Oh, I forgot to do the poke catch. Whoops.
Let's see what ball I actually like.
Nobody caught it anyway. Harryama got away.
I like sweet.
Oh, why do
thought you
all the
said
clouds look
Harry
like
Mama at first.
dessert? I want some dessert clouds. Those look delicious.
All are called cotton candy.
Looks like whipped cream and sprinkles all around.
And then there's like that alligator dragon thing up there. But yes. Happy Friday, everyone. I have me more hot
Cheers.
tea, Michigan. More hot tea.
Nice.
Cheers.
I got cold
Beverages.
adult beverages. Yeah.
Correct.
See, and I'm cold, so I'm drinking warm things to warm up. And you guys are like probably like 10 degrees and y'all drinking cold things. I'm just like,
I'm
no.
drinking ice cold
built.
beverages, and it's
It's like
below
10
freezing
degrees.
out.
Right?
We got 3 inches of snow today.
Yeah, we got a couple. Yeah. We got about like 2.
I was waiting for the Panhandle to have white snowy beaches again, but not yet. Happened last year this month. White snowy beaches in the Panhandle. That's when they had like up to like 8 inches of snow in parts of like what New
So does Florida
Orleans
just, like,
and
shut
Panhandle.
They don't have
Like,
any.
Yeah,
just
we
shut
don't.
down for a
We
couple days.
don't have salt for roads and all that. Yeah, we
Yeah,
shut
but they
down.
don't have
We're
salt,
done.
like
Salt,
reserves.
We're
They don't
done.
have salt reserves. They don't have any of that stuff.
We don't have
They probably
anything
have
to
one
push
truck.
snow out of the
whole
way.
The whole county, they probably only have one truck. Maybe.
I mean, because don't y'all like put like chains on y'all's tires and all that weird stuff too?
No, I've
No?
never heard
No,
that in my
no.
life.
Y'all just salt roads.
That
Yeah, we
that
got
is
a
like
lot of
further
salt.
up north, like Canada.
Okay,
Well,
because
there's
see,
some
I don't
places.
know. I don't live north,
Minnesota, there's
so-
spots. North Dakota. That it
Wait,
gets
spots
cold
of
enough.
what?
Where you
Desi!
actually sometimes have to put chains on your tires because
Oh, yeah. That's typically
Okay.
when you can't get all the snow off the road at all, and there's just still snow
Yeah.
buildup.
There's
Yeah,
like no salting of the roads in that area or something, probably.
too
That's more
cold.
for, like,
Salt only
ice.
works to a certain temperature.
Yeah, very
Once
true.
it drops below a temperature, salt
Oh,
doesn't do anything.
Yeah, it's
I'm
a
learning
few
things.
degrees around freezing point.
I'm learning things.
No,
But yeah.
they have salt. You can buy salt from Menards right now. That's good to -25.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Let's see.
That might not be
And have
just
you?
salt.
Yeah. Oh no, it's blue. It's definitely not. It's
Desi,
salt. It's
happy birthday,
it's got
Desi.
other stuff in it. It's blue.
Yeah, I was talking about the rock salt and sand that
It's
most of
Desi's
the
birthday
municipal
today.
spreaders do.
Yeah.
That only
'Cause I
works
know-
like
I
in
seen
a
that
buffer
picture.
around freezing.
I am the wiener.
No,
no. I haven't even finished yet.
Seems
Over there
like a
putting in
you
work.
problem.
Oh, neither have I. Look at that. Or Semi.
Yeah, it seems
We're
like
all
a
just
you
taking our
problem.
time.
Oh, no.
Wiggles with the win. Wiggle, 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 wiggle.
Wiggles was fast. As
I didn't even get to finish.
No,
Y'all
you
are
didn't
rude.
get
Boy.
to.
Well,
That sounds like a
sorry, man,
personal
go, go,
problem.
go.
Y'all
Even
rude.
Kimono finished. Yeah, I'm about to say.
I'm good, giving, and generous, and I didn't. Jeez.
Even
Unleashed Rolling Wonder. Da-da-da. Oh, it's a pupper! Da-da-da-da-da.
Oh, that's kind of cool. There's a bunch of holes on the outside. That's neato.
Pew.
Golly, mister.
your whatever thing says Donald Trump. No, wait a minute. Is this what this one's called? Oh, this is why it's called. Because it said Donald Trump something there. I was like, what?
Like, what are y'all
It has
talking
something
about?
to do with this level.
Yeah.
Oh.
I thought it was her.
It's no longer on the screen, so don't worry about it.
Yeah,
Okay. I was like, what? Okay. It's like,
I was confused too, and then I
Oh,
realized.
hold on.
but yes,
Where
start
did
would be
marbles
good.
get all political?
Right? I was like, no politics on my stream, help.
Yeah, and that's just like, what could you do?
I was like, Michigan, why are you breaking the rules? What's going on?
Well, I want to start talking about politics.
No, not allowed. I did not click
No, I
that
just saw
button
it
for
down here.
stream.
It literally
There's
said
a stream.
Donald
There's a
Trump.
button for politics that I have to click. That's how bad it is.
No, it's just funny because it just said literally. I was like, did you like?
Yeah, it's called. What is it called? Let me look. It's called political or sensitive social issues. You have to turn that on if you're going to talk about that. So
Yeah,
we're not
you know, I
talking
just-
about it.
I'm not talking about it. I just said
No, I know.
Donald
I'm
Trump
just
was on
messing
the
with you.
screen.
I mean, not
Ah.
personally, but you know what I mean.
Yeah.
Anyways, what about this beer?
Only beer.
I want one.
Well, I can't throw that far.
I've got an arm. I can throw it over that hill there. What do you think?
Do it. Yeah. Pass
That'd be
it.
cool. Right through the window. Oh, whoops, my bad.
All right, who's gonna be the first to break a world record on my stream tonight, or even just a,
It's me,
Mario.
or even just a,
Mario!
yeah, we'll see.
Mario.
Probably will be Wiggles. Wiggles is killing it.
Michigan's got two
Don't
already though.
you forget
one, I
about
believe.
me.
I think I
Don't,
already have
don't.
one.
So does Wiggles have 2 wins too, or no?
He has
Michigan?
probably 2 or 3. I'm pretty sure I only have 1. But anybody on the course is slow Wiggles down, even though I don't see him. Okay, he's on there. Okay, he was just next to people.
And not winning.
No. Kimono, can you hold Wiggles back a little bit? Okay, that's cool. Nice.
What? I'm not gonna hold anybody down. I can't even get 12. You're late, Dreams.
Wiggles got.
Dusty with the win. GG, Dusty.
I wonder if there's like a Michigan course that's like just styled for like Michigan,
Hmm?
like the theme.
Detroit, what?
Detroit, what? It's Eminem track. Get it, Eminem track.
Why does this one look like a bong?
The other one did too.
What?
Oh, it's the same one.
Doesn't that
It
big
starts out the
tube-
same way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, this one has an alien.
It's a very
Abducted
good race.
alien.
You're an
Abduction.
alien.
Abducted alien abduction.
I want to get adductive. Adductive. Well, that's a whole nother thing.
Conductive alien abduction.
That sounds like
Yeah.
some kind of fantasy there you're having.
I'm having a fantasy moment. Whoops.
I want to know what you're fitted to see.
Right.
I want to move. Wait, I can't sing the rest of that. That's not
Yeah,
appropriate.
gotta let it cap it. That's good.
Ugh.
You only use 30 seconds.
Oh yeah. Also, not going to get a copyright. I don't sound like Luda.
How do you know? Maybe you do. We haven't told you.
Jeez,
this
if I
whole
did,
time.
that would be awesome, but I don't.
I'll be working at the bars to sing all his songs.
Why does it look like an anthill now? It used to be a different color. Now it's. What's going on?
I'm freaking out, man. One thing about having a bigger phone, I got the Detroit Red Wings sitting right here. It's amazing.
What?
I can watch the Red Wings and do this.
20 seconds to get your marble on the track. You can use the other button today.
All the buttons.
The other one. Since I have no sound commands tonight, we'll just have to do exclamation lady. Yes.
Lady.
Lady's not even here. And, you know, we gotta remind Lady to get on the track. Yeah. Michigan with the sub sandwich. Don't get you gonna make me hungry. I already ate today. Don't even do
I
that.
know, yeah. When I did that, I knew that was a mistake for all of us.
I like to eat while I'm on here. You guys do that. A lot of times I have like girl dinners, so
Yeah. I don't eat, so. Nobody's ever seen me eat ever in my whole life.
I have.
You have it, maybe in Maine.
In Maine, yes, but not in Discord. But I have seen you eat. We all have.
That's lies. That's lies. That's fake
Not
news.
on camera, but we have
Fake
seen you
news.
eat.
That's fake. Where's the proof?
Every single person in this voice chat has seen you eat. And there's probably photos of you
In
eating.
person. I
Yeah.
maybe even tasted some of the same food that went in your mouth.
Oh. This is what that sounds like.
Oh,
Well,
no.
the two
Don't
dogs
ever
that
do
were-
that again. Please don't ever do that again.
Nah, could somebody
No,
They
it's
were
all right. You
sharing
still give us
noodles.
warning.
Lady in the tram
check that
moment,
side.
they were sharing noodles. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. Like the two dogs, had to share the noodle
Mm-hmm.
or then
Yeah.
kissing.
Oh, that was great. Send everybody into cringe mode.
I wish somebody.
It's
could have recorded
Friday.
that.
It's a great time to do that.
Quiet Friday.
It's kind of quiet,
It is.
until we get drunker. Then
We don't have dreams. He's in chill chat, but he's not here to talk. And
Yeah,
Lady's
he's,
not here to talk,
yeah.
so it's quiet.
I kind of like a couple seconds of nothing in my ears.
Yeah, breathe.
Breathe in.
Is it going to be a
Always
chill
remember
night?
to breathe. Yeah.
It's very
Yeah,
important.
breathing is
It will
important.
kill you, and also you.
I
Need
think I have a command for that too. There we go. Breathe. It's important to breathe. Oxygen.
Well, okay, that's a legit statement, though.
You need
you know?
oxygen.
I
but-
don't even.
I mean, it's
a
not as
thing.
important to be breathing nitrous oxide. That's not nearly as important as oxygen.
But way more fun.
Hey Shane, welcome to the stream. Oh, that sound command works. What the heck?
Hey, beggars. I don't know.
What happened?
Shane's sound command works for when he comes into the stream. Let's see. The roar does not work though.
Different bots.
Yeah, I was about to
No!
say,
Same bot.
probably a different bot.
Gotta be.
Lies.
Same bot. 100%. Like if 6 came in and it went bruh, then I was gonna freak out, but it didn't.
Bruh.
I'm just.
It just only works for Shane.
Oh, it's really delayed. Bruh.
Oh my gosh. How is everybody? Hi Shane, welcome. You have 40 seconds to get the marble on the track. 40 seconds.
40 seconds.
Rage. Hey, I caught a Pokemon and all that. There you go. Riot. We can riot.
I keep
Store
swapping
like that.
words.
You're like, I know it's something like this. It's something close to this. It
I
could
wanna
be
save my
rage
money.
or
Well,
riot.
not my money, but my cookies, or not cookies, whatever they're called.
I think it's because there used to be this
Cookies.
advertisement on a radio station where I used to live, and it was called Rave and Rage.
That's
And
the
it was
wrong
telling
one.
you what was coming up on the weekend. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
That's the wrong hat, but yeah.
What did you say? Oh, you said Snorlax.
I was like, that's not. I'm not
Oh
a
my
Pokemon
gosh!
person.
Don't judge me.
Like I said, I'm not a Pokemon person.
It's just a
I'm pretty
Pokemon.
sure
I don't
that's the
know my
wrong one.
Pokemon today. Oh. See, I gotta figure out what to do with all this hair. It's driving me nuts.
Yeah, me too. Yeah, I got. Yeah, me too.
I'm just gonna
I also
shave
hate-
it off.
I also
like
hate when
Michigan.
that happens.
I know white wiggles. Yeah, me and you, we can relate about having all the
Gosh.
hair.
I might have found a way to give a middle finger to Amazon. Oh.
Easiest to
What?
find.
What happened?
I mean, cancel
I
your
mean-
Prime.
I mean,
Stop paying
Prime
for
subs
Twitch.
help.
Wait,
That's
what?
That's what people say on other streams. They go, if you want to give Twitch or Amazon the middle finger, use your Prime subs. Use your Prime subs. And that's like a whole theme on some streams. Or like, use your Prime subs. Use them, use them, use them.
I mean,
You
might as
said
well. They
where
give you all
nobody
these
had commercials.
benefits. You might as well make them spend that money.
Yeah.
I back in the day when you had Amazon, you get
Just a week,
no,
what did I miss? Welcome,
advertisements.
Silent. Welcome, welcome, welcome. You just missed a few races and some light shenanigans. Nothing too wild yet.
Yeah, nothing like we were.
Nothing that we clipped
helping
yet.
Humanity out or anything.
Yeah, nothing's been quoted.
Nothing's been quoted or clipped.
Well, I wish that somebody did your when you did that lick thing.
I don't think that's quotable.
You know what I mean, like the audio version of it.
The
sometimes.
sound effect of y'all sharing food? That one?
No, when you started, when you did the
Yeah, no,
lick
that's
sound.
exactly what you're talking about.
Yes, you have missed a Michigan win and a Wiggles win. Sick! GG with the win now.
And
Right
I'm
on Battle
waiting
Cat.
You can't see me.
There we go. I don't think you
Yeah, I'm
finished.
taking my
Oh, you
time.
did finish, just
They
barely.
get that grilled cheese, Michigan.
Mm-hmm. Michigan with second, Wiggles with third.
Yep. I push Wiggles, and then. That's all I'm
There we go. Exclamation play to get your marble on the track, guys. Exclamation play. So, I'm still trying to figure out why when Shane joins, his sound effect works, but none of the others do. Like, is his stored in a different spot and I accidentally deleted the folder or something? The sound file folder or something? I don't know. I'm gonna look at where they're saved and make sure the files are actually there.
Oh no.
saying.
That was my other thought. What if the sounds aren't in the folder?
Did you put it in the mod folder? That's okay. That's a joke. Because 6s.
Oh, it was toggled off.
We don't want.
Why was
Did
sounds
somebody
toggled
get
off?
annoying?
The sounds were toggled off. I'm thinking maybe because it did an update. Let's try it now. Yeah. There's like a toggle off button at the top to turn off all the sounds. Yeah, I guess if they get annoying, you could just toggle it off. I didn't do it, so it must have been an update. I don't know. Now they're working. Now we can do things like I can be angry about it now.
I can't give her wine.
That was just like doing exclamation lady. You can't hear the noises? Oh, I bet I have to update the thing imaging too.
I think for a while we've not been able to hear those, but that's
It seems
been
like it
okay.
goes off every
Uh,
other
well,
month.
just
Rar is
OBS
so
did
loud
some.
on stream, to be fair.
Why is Trapon not visible? That's a good
I'll be back
question.
with
I
you.
like. Weird. OBS did some updates today too, so.
That's probably what it was then.
Let me look.
Seems like every other month it doesn't work.
Yeah, every time you do updates, I like tell it later until I finally give in and then do it, and then things break.
Or yeah, or like a force update.
You're like,
after a while.
okay. Mm-hmm.
Oh, there's a clip now.
What?
Saki, welcome.
Wait, I wanna
Shane
see
with
it.
a streak. It
How
worked.
do
I
I
was
share
able
it?
to convert a Kindle book into a PDF.
Actually, no, I
Ooh,
don't know that much. Yeah,
that's interesting.
I'm not sure how to share it, but that's gonna be the best clip ever.
Oh, geez. We won't talk about that. I don't know what. This track has people like bouncing all over the place, and I
It's like I
visibly.
did a lot of drugs on this track.
Yeah, I'm visibly like confused here as to what's going on.
But can you see the clip that I saved, Mono?
If I go over to that part of Twitch, I should be able to. So bouncy, right? There we
I'm
go.
sure you can share the link. I just don't know how to either.
I don't have a Kindle, but I want to actually own the digital books I bought. Huh. All right. I caught some hacks there. We won't talk about it.
Let's fight as a team.
Let me go see what was clipped. Oh god, I just hurt myself. Let's see. Exclamation play though, guys. Exclamation play to get your marble on the track.
Share that
Exclamation
link
play.
I'm gonna make
See,
sure
content,
massive.
video, clips. Let's go look. Oh no! It's the sound effect one.
Well, it's I couldn't get the timing right. I don't know if you can cut it.
I could
just to
probably
that,
adjust it.
But it's the whole clip is kind of funny though, because it's kind of
Yeah.
like from the start.
Okay, I'm gonna listen. You guys probably hear too.
Gotta hate hearing my voice.
Me too.
What? Hold on. Oh, if I hadn't tasted some of the same food that went in your mouth.
And then
I did do it. You did get the sound effect. That was great.
okay, so
I was like,
just cut it.
Yes.
So yeah, do with it as you please, but
I will.
Dude, I'm
now I gotta share it in stream chat. Here we go. This is what they clipped if you're curious. See, a boss fight was started.
Oh yeah, I tried to start a team fight.
I'm not sure. I almost didn't make it in the race. Welcome to the race, though, Shocky. Welcome.
So we all survived, all those 3 people. So.
I think I have it set where like mostly people survive because I want people to get the points until it gets like really higher into the bot battles. And the only way to do that is if there's like a lot of people battling, and then people will start to not survive.
Well, makes sense, yeah.
I mean, I could make it where you hardly survive ever if you choose,
Should be like
but
a 50-50.
you know, I could. Let's see.
'Cause I went, ooh, boss. Oh, I might lose. Oh, I lost. Not win-win, no matter what.
Now I have to figure out where and why OBS has turned off my sounds. The where is the tricky part.
That's one thing I'm not familiar with.
Because I have so many things going on, and just like it's like it doesn't have it captured at all. Like I deleted it or something. Audio capture. Hacks. You definitely have the hacks. You're like
Yeah, no, he's blame. Everybody has hacks.
I don't.
No, that was me admitting to having hacks. Let's get that straight.
No. This is it. They're gonna hack your hack.
GG with the hacks. I love it how they're doing it in sync. I don't know if they're doing it on your screen, but the little ones and the big one are all moving together.
Yeah, it's all synced.
They're not even moving separately. It's all synced together. And next race, get your marble on the truck.
I need to change my marble because my marble's not winning. I'm gonna change it to 7, and I hope Kimono's marble is good.
Oh! I think I found it. See if you can hear it now. Nope. Why can you still not hear it? Try that. Nope. We're gonna find it eventually. I'm determined. "25 seconds to get your marble on the track, guys. 25 seconds."
Gotta pass it on.
I blame the bot.
Poke catch. Get your poke catch in. I'll end up getting it to work, and then you're gonna hear it twice. Your internet free media collection is growing. I mean, sometimes you need that, like, especially on like a plane or something.
Okay,
Yeah,
so maybe.
I don't even have like DVDs or anything like that. I don't even have like discs for music anymore.
Oh, I'm about to have a whole physical collection that I have backed up to digital soon. I'm so tired of paying a streaming service to watch something and
Not
have
what
it
I need.
leave and go somewhere else.
Let's see.
Yeah, I do that.
Let's see. Is it under here? No.
I will be right back.
I'm gonna go too. I can hold your hand, right?
Wait, actually, I'm gonna wait until the next one so I can. Third, I'll take it. I'll take it.
Yeah.
How many more races?
One or
Ah.
or two.
Oh, is that?
This might be two. I don't know. Let me see. This is it's either 9 or 10. We gotta look. We gotta look.
That's
Okay, this is number 10, so this is it. This is it. This is the last one. I've recently grown to love physical media, and with these ebooks, even though they won't be physical, they won't be tied to Amazon account that can be suspended / removed. That is true.
Well, hello there.
Hi, Dreams. Welcome.
Oh yeah.
You didn't know that Kimono banned all Scottish
Welcome,
people.
welcome,
It's
welcome.
her new thing.
Sounds about right.
Yeah.
Probably
tried to
well
argue with
deserved,
it,
to be
but-
honest. Probably well deserved. I give you that. What a bit of a ruckus.
Oh. Okay, I give up on the bot for today.
Yeah, I
I
say, yeah,
don't know what
focus
it's
on-
doing. I don't know what it's doing. I capture it and it just doesn't show up. I'm pretty sure it's something to do with the update I just did, which is making me salty.
Oh, we playing marbles today?
Yup.
I'm still not
Join
gonna
us.
win.
Join
I'm
us.
still
Join
not gonna
us.
win.
Not
Hold
with that
on.
attitude.
How many? Aye, hold on. How many hacks? How
you don't
many hacks
join-
do you got going on? How many hacks you got going on?
She
and
has 3 of
at
them.
what
She
per-
admitted.
Well, you're honestly running out of room for physical books. I'll stick
At
with the
what
PDFs.
percentage?
Yeah, you're gonna need a
At
giant
what-
library if you keep it up.
At what percentage do I stand a chance of winning?
I.
Obviously, 'cause
Like I said, if
you're
you don't
running
play,
hacks
then
and
you
shit.
don't have any chance.
This is true. Gotta
Okay,
play
exclamation
to win.
V. Okay.
This attitude of yours, I'm gonna put you in the locker room and I'm gonna talk this attitude right out of your brain.
Wait. Oh, now it shows up finally. What the heck? What the heck, OBS? It's finally showing up. I think it's gonna work. It fixed itself. I don't know.
Maybe you just had to
I don't know.
yell at me.
Well, I
and it
just
worked.
gonna. I mean, I'm not gonna mess myself up, but
That's probably what it is. If you yell at me, things will
It
start
fixed
working.
itself, yeah.
So yeah.
maybe
just have to
maybe
lower
if
it
a
anymore.
Scotsman comes into the channel, it's just like fuck it, we
Yeah.
don't tolerate this guy, so we'll just make it work.
Well, what it was the audio mixer wasn't showing the chatbot's audio equalizer thingamajiggy. and no matter what I did, it wouldn't
It's
show
just like
up.
OBS.
So I was trying to recapture it as a brand new entry, and every time I tried to recapture it, it still didn't work, still didn't work, still didn't work. So then I just deleted the old one and realized that, oh crap, I deleted the new one and the old one's working again. So it just appeared out of nowhere. Who knows?
Is this
There's
OBS?
a conflict of interest.
Yeah, it's something with the update. It's just doing something. But welcome, Rikes. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Rike snuck in there when I was fighting with bots and stuff, not making noises that they're supposed to make. Now I can do my angry noises again. Oh,
I value my youth.
and he gets first place. GG. All right, that was
Hold on.
the last of 10 races. We're gonna see who won.
Who did go before
Hello,
me?
what
Nobody
split
did.
screams at me? Easy peasy. Uh-huh.
I don't know. Maybe you're just not good enough.
All right, let's see who gets third place. Third place goes to
I see you trying to goat
6.
me on.
Not. I don't know. We'll find out.
Man.
Michigan with the KimonoKat marble. Oh my gosh. GG Michigan. Oh. And
Fine,
then
thanks.
BattleCat. So apparently you can only win if you live
Back
in
just in time.
Maine.
And the winner is.
Yeah.
Give it to
Kimono
me,
lives in
baby.
Maine.
Wiggle.
He
Goat
wiggled
scared
himself
you.
up there. He pushed me off the podium and took it. I was like, what?
Oh
She
no.
said, I'm gonna let you finish, but real quick, I gotta get up here and tell you how good I
There
went
you
down the
go.
hill.
This is
Alright,
like
so we're
King
gonna
of the Hill.
start
He
a
just pushed me
brand
off the hill.
new Grand Prix. So if you guys
That
want to
was
get
easy.
in on this,
I'm going to win the next one. Because
get
Wiggles
ready.
sucked.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to use the kimono.
Don't get too
Marble.
salty. I'll make this one not quite as long either. We'll go with 7
races.
tracks. 7 tracks instead of 10.
30.
And we'll see.
do better
Now
at
that
the
I'm done
long
fighting
stretches.
with bots and technical difficulties, all that mess is over with. 40 tracks. I mean, that would be like the whole stream, maybe.
Yeah, I do better with more tracks, so in a sense.
Better average.
Yes.
Guys, if
Sounds
you
like
did
cheating to me.
not know,
Sounds
let's see.
like it just takes me longer.
Rex Goodberry also plays
I'm gonna
marbles
do
on
that.
stream. And he is very entertaining. He's very creative. Like, not in the art standpoint, but like with stream. He does like
Oh,
I mean, he does do art.
Yeah.
He does his own logo stuff. But like he comes up with just I don't know. He just finds a way to make every single thing he does like super interesting. It's just like you want to watch and find out what he's up to this time. And I'm like, how do
It's
you
the
do
same.
it? How do you come up with all these ideas? It's so cool. So check it out. Give him a follow. Rex Goodberry. Yeah. Yeah, 6 Rex Goodberry. Make sure you're following Rex.
I redeemed the same hat.
He does do art too. It's just not what he's known for. I mean, as far as like you did your own logo and stuff, if I remember right.
No, that's what I
You
saw.
artsy, you can be the artsy one. But you did your logo. And
Like, he's very creative, but not in the art.
I'm so mean. I know it sounded so rude.
Yeah.
But yeah. He's done his own stream art. Let's see. What ears do I want now? I'll do the black ones.
Well, never mind.
There we go. All right, 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. Exclamation play to get your marble on the track. Exclamation play.
I'll be honest with you.
Oh, you did snort. Why did you do Snorlax hat?
On already.
When I had it on. Yeah. That was so weird.
It extends the time.
Yeah, I'm gonna reject that entry so you get your cookies back.
I need 3,000.
That way my head can like breathe for a little bit.
I've never made my choice within a minute.
I need 2,000
Yeah,
bankers.
I
I'm not
redeemed.
accepting
I
service.
refunded his points because I was already wearing it, and then I took it off.
Yeah, I know, Silent. It's unbelievable. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna
You
go to
gotta
Maine
wait. You gotta wait a little while.
No, I'm gonna go to Maine
my
tomorrow and
hair.
protest.
My hair is honestly still a little wet from the shower, and like having that hat on, it was just like being humid and weird and not drying. So
Okay, no.
thanks,
Next
stuff.
time you take a shower. To do that.
Hey, six. What are you trying to imply here? Six is trying to start trouble on a Friday night. Like, everyone.
Well, my brain wants to say it, but yes, she's still from Maine.
Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have frizzy hair until all of it completely dries, which takes forever. I redeemed. I'm new here.
I know the pain.
You are new here. You are new here
I
for
know the
sure.
pain.
Mm-hmm. All right, let's see what how can I can't see your marbles? Oh, because this is one of those light up tracks, and if you don't have a
It's
light
a
up
black
marble,
light level.
I'm
Plus,
like,
I have
where
pants
you guys are invisible. Just see the name tags. I can't see the marbles. I'm gonna have to slowly start replacing marbles with glowing
Look at that
ones.
view.
Do I have a favorite track? I don't. I really don't. There's
Just that
so
one that you
many
have
of
the
them.
world record on, right?
Yeah.
Mine's
Whichever one that
Sound.
is. I really don't have a favorite. There's just so many of them to choose from, and so many good ones that individuals have built themselves. Ooh, Rikes, are you gonna get into building tracks? You could do that. I could see you doing that. I could see you building your own track and racing on it in your community. You could. You could. That or you're gonna be a tilter. Yeah, it's in the game.
You want to be a tilter?
Yep, you can build it. I think you can build to a certain degree for free without buying stuff, but I don't remember. Yeah, you can build your own. Most of these tracks I'm racing on are all community tracks, which means they were built by streamers and such. Yeah, it is cool. I've seen people speed build tracks too, like on stream. They're like, "Okay, you redeemed it. We're speed building a track in 1 minute," and then they race on it and see if it's a fail or a win.
Can you do that noise again?
That was RC Creative Track Builders. Not me. I'm not building any tracks, and I'm not playing Tilt. That thing's a nightmare.
Dreams 1? Oh, this is not a dream.
Tilt is where you just like tilt the whole track and you try to make sure none of the marbles fall off, or more likely you try to make sure one makes it to the end each time and see how many levels you can go, and that's really hard. See, I don't understand why it's invisible even here. I guess it's just a track setting for whoever made that track. All right, we had 4 people did not finish. How rude.
I got 3rd place. That's good. Keep it consistent at 3rd. I'll probably win because not everybody's gonna get
All right, let's see. Marble downhill. Oh, that. It made a noise, but yeah, this one's like an ice cave.
Hey, it's Maine.
And it's got lasers everywhere, but I don't think it's the kind that nuke you. Thank goodness. I think it's just decorative ones. The ones that nuke you are mean. The ones that, murder you. Exclamation play to get your marble on the track, guys. Exclamation play. Oh, 6 got burnt. That's what he gets for misbehaving. He gets burnt. Battle
What
Cat.
if, what if he likes to be burned?
I believe that too. I believe that too. I'm always in trouble. Let's see. At least that will help him dry off faster. Hi, pizza toes. Pizza toes. Oh,
No, I'm just hyping out,
oh!
the
Shocky and
feet
Reich's
to make
making it
sure
in
they-
the last second there. Look at that. Look at that.
The
Last
feet
couple
make-
seconds. Go. Good luck. Good luck.
Oh, I am. Let's get a world record, eh?
We're not good enough
Eh?
today, I guess.
Apparently.
Eh? You're gonna go out for a rip?
Apparently not.
Eh?
We'll find out. Eh? Are we all being Canadian tonight? Where is our Canadian?
No, we're hold
That's
on. We're
not-
all from we're all from Maine. Remember?
Oh,
we're
Actually, I mean that's a Wisconsin thing too. Like,
No,
no,
is
we
it?
say it here also.
oh yeah, for sure.
We go
Michigan?
oops a lot, like,
Hey there,
oops.
bud.
Oh, oh,
Hey
that's
there,
what we
bud.
do. Oh,
Fucking throw out some
we
darts
sound pretty
there, bud.
Canadian up here.
Oh, I don't do that one. That one I didn't even know was a thing until
Yeah.
I think I
That's
started
definitely
streaming.
Michigan,
Somebody
like,
told
oop.
me about the ope thing. I'm like, what?
Yeah.
You say ope? Really?
Oop.
Yeah. It's I don't know why. It's just a
It's
thing.
like a inverted hiccup or something. I don't know.
Whoa.
Inverted hiccup.
Do I have to go to war with
Love it.
Florida? I might have to.
Yes. Fight me, Michigan, fight me.
Wait.
There it is, world record.
Wiggles.
GG
Hey.
Wiggles.
Winner win.
Congrats.
For the win.
That's
I guess when you start
Right?
speaking about world records,
Yes.
who you gonna thank? Me? Okay, cool.
Oh, high skills. Nice job,
I
right?
pushed you down the whole track.
Oh, and 6 is biting Wiggles. For winning, I
Okay.
guess. For winning, I guess. I mean, I don't
Can
know.
I watch?
What have we done here? What have we done here?
We have created
Long, lonely
chaos, and
line.
I love it. Hold on, I'm not even on that fucking.
All right.
Okay.
Exclamation play, guys.
Right.
Exclamation play to get your marble on the track. Exclamation play. 1 minute
Oh, Wiggles,
on the clock.
What's up?
What wax do you use?
Wax on, wax off.
Yeah,
Oh.
he used like the best,
yeah.
apparently.
Yeah.
Best of the best.
I use
That's actually the
quarter-
brand.
I use
Alright, who else is gonna get a world record tonight?
dirt on, dirt off, and it doesn't work as
We've got one.
I use bleach. Bleach generally kind of tends to.
Oh, I hear somebody.
I've been
There you
using
go.
the kimono marble.
See my
That is cool.
jellyfish, guys? See my jellyfish? It's so cool. It's
I
jellyfish
think
hat.
you're about to go ride the school bus for a second. Sorry, that was...
We don't
Are
know.
you saying jollyfish or jellyfish?
Jellyfish. I mean, you could be a jolly jellyfish.
Oh,
I don't know.
Yeah. You look
Do
pretty
you
jolly.
have
Jellyfish.
got one too? No, I don't have a jellyfish IRL. That would be cool though if I had a hat like that. It would be silly and it would be
I'll give you
cute.
an octopus.
Oh yeah, I bet there is octopus hats. I don't know if there's a jellyfish one though.
Oh, there's many of those because of the red beans.
Now I'm gonna be like on
Yeah,
Amazon
fine,
looking
maybe.
for jellyfish hats.
Yeah, but
Let's
yeah,
look.
the
So,
red
is
beans.
it
It's
So is it octopus or
it's inactive.
Yeah,
Jelly
I'm trying to think of the
Fish.
best way to explain
Octopi.
hat.
it. Octopi, yeah.
Then get a crab one.
Octopus or octopi. I was
Do you
gonna
have
go
jellyfish?
with the best in there.
Oh jeez.
No, yeah, they pretty much have
Oh
everything
my
out
gosh.
nowadays, yeah.
They got squids, they got jellyfish.
Calamari.
I've seen the crocheted octopus one before.
Squid.
Okay, I'm gonna show you this one. I'm gonna take a a screenshot and then drag it over and share. Let's see.
Yep, share with the school.
Yeah, I'm gonna share it with you guys. The one I found. This is the one I found. That looks about like the one on the thing, right? Here.
Yeah,
You can
actually
just
pretty damn close.
you can picture it now.
Nice.
You can picture
That's
it now.
exactly it. That is exactly the hat.
That's me.
Yeah, 1,000 points.
Uh-uh.
and put that up.
100 dreams. Okay. Well, there. I'll put
was
it on my
warm.
Amazon wish list, and we'll
Yeah,
just
my
leave
God.
it there. Just
That
leave
looks
it
like
there.
it's very warm.
If I
it's
can find
outside.
it, there we go.
Anyone with the
Add
capability of AI,
to
please impose a fucking
KimonoKat's
hat on
Amazon
the
wish
platform.
list. There we go. Did it. It's on
No, I
there.
said this is already a thing. You just
They even have it in blue. And yeah. Now we won't talk about it anymore.
I'm about to say like what Wiggles was saying.
I've
it
just
looks
been
very warm.
replaced. I've been replaced. You don't need to see me. You could just see this
I thought that was you. Oh wait a minute.
jellyfish of a person now. I could crochet it. Oh, that would be cool, Splints.
I could
Why does it
wanna
look
see
like
that.
it's pasted on her head? It probably is cut and paste.
Oh yeah, it does
Did
look
you
like
dye your
that,
hair brown?
100%. Why isn't your mouth moving? That's weird.
Yeah. It's kind of froze
Just
up right now.
Oh, okay. You just have bad internet. Yeah.
Oh, boost. Turbo boosted for 5 seconds. Woo! Winner
Hey,
was
Splints won. But Wiggles got
Splits.
second though, which is not good because.
All right. I'll
Great.
turn it off. There we go.
Oh! Now you're. Whoa! That's what you look like. That's weird.
Next stream, you start making that.
My phone just told me that you went live. So.
I mean, I could probably make some sort of thing. It was a strange track. Yeah. A redeemed posture check. Okay. Got you. Let's
Can I do it
see.
too, right after
Actually,
you?
I'll do better than that. I'm gonna stand up because my legs hurt. I've been sitting and yeah. Ouch. When you sit on your legs after a while, they go to sleep. Just note to self.
Exactly.
Don't sit on your legs that long.
Oh, I do that a lot. So.
Yes, exclamation play to get your marble in the chart, guys. Exclamation play. And I'll hit start here. You got 1 minute. 1 minute. Yeah. And drink water. Got it. Water achieved. Standing up. Now I can just like hide under the desk. Can I go? This. Okay, so if I ever need to unplug like my computer and everything, this is how I do it. I raise my desk and then I just go under. Go to the wall, unplug it, and come back. It makes it great for vacuuming under your desk. You just tell it to raise it, and then you can vacuum all under your desk like 10 times easier.
Why does it get so messy?
Oh, did you dye your hair black? Back to blonde, Kimono. I did it like magic. It took 5 seconds.
I would be, I want to see your hair black one day. Just black.
Good grief.
That's like the only color I've never dyed my hair is black. It's probably is the only color I've never dyed my hair now that I think about it.
Yeah,
Is that a dog?
Yeah, it's a doggo.
A doggy.
You're a doggo.
I've dyed my hair red and purple and blue and green and mermaid and yeah. All kinds of colors, but not black. It probably wouldn't work.
Well,
It probably wouldn't work. It probably wouldn't hold.
yeah, well, for a little
It would
bit,
probably just look like a really nasty brown or something.
You just look very gothic all of a sudden.
Mm-hmm.
No, black will take, but the problem is your eyebrows will give it away.
Yeah, because my eyebrows are way too light. Yeah.
Yeah.
No, your
Yeah.
eyebrows are a little bit more browner, aren't they? I think. Anyway, I
I
guess.
barely
yeah,
have
that makes sense.
eyebrows. I mean, let's be real. Don't look at them too close because I need to get them done again.
No,
but
I'm gonna look at
I
them very
barely
closely.
have eyebrows. I just
Yeah, I'm the same way.
don't have eyebrows. They're barely there.
I like men.
I just have dark hair.
I'll give you
so
yeah,
everything
yeah. And I
is
still
weird.
go and get them waxed like under because they get like just a little bit, and it tries to shape them. I don't know. It makes to me honestly when I get them like waxed and stuff. I know I'm losing hair, but it makes them look more defined and look more like I actually have eyebrows, even though I'm removing hair. It still looks like I have eyebrows more.
No,
You just need to get
Cleaner.
comfortable with a straight razor.
cleaner line.
Yeah. So I go
It
like
could be.
every 3-4 months and get it done, and then it lasts forever. I need to go again. I'll give you mine. It's like 2 brushes, 2 paintbrushes. Like,
I just have very black hair.
are they like this 6? And these are your eyebrows.
When the wind blows, you'll know exactly where the wind is blowing.
Yo, if I don't trim mine, I'm gonna have some big ass grandpa eyebrows at some point.
Oh,
no. Don't they say that you're?
Well, we just say that track was wild. That track was wild.
Yeah.
I liked it.
Yeah,
though.
it's been a few of them been pretty crazy.
Radiant Adventurous Beauty. That's what that was called. But GG, Battlecat, GG.
All right, we need another world record. Let's see if I can talk another one in.
Yes.
No, yeah.
Guys, I'm rooting for you. We need these world records. Come on.
I'm gonna get world record. Me, not Wiggles.
Prove
Let's
it.
go.
I will right here. Watch.
Right now.
Ooh, I like the
literally
colors
just
of this.
I literally just
Start now.
bought like a
Vibe Dance Nightclub. Oh, Vibe Dance Nightclub. Oh, at least the marbles aren't black. It must be a feature that they turn off and on to make them all. Well, I meant like invisible. Nice. But like when they all turn invisible and you can't see them.
Yeah.
It must be a setting that like only neon ones work.
You gotta have glow balls.
Yeah.
Everybody get their glow ball.
They gotta glow in the dark. Dance and dance. Ah. Stretch. A burned Electro. You gotta give him some fire to get him moving with that 428.
420.
A global number there. I cannot even begin to compete with that. There's no way. I don't spend that much time on marbles. That's sad that I don't spend more time on marbles, maybe. I multitask.
I can't spell.
Poke catch. Pull pop cute catch. I don't know.
Pop kick catch.
Pop kick catch.
I don't know.
Go guys, good luck. Even the Plinko board changes colors. Oh, it's all cubes. That's awesome. I just realized that. It's all, they built it all with the square thingies or something.
What?
Good. Oh, hold on. Un momento.
Did I cut my hair blue? Yeah, I cut it all off. It's all short. Look how short it is. It's short. It's like right here. Oh, look.
Did you say it's like right
It's
hair?
long. Magic, it's long again. It's all magic. Yeah. All
right, this one's for you.
It's retractable. I just like I wind up my arm and it just like goes back in to my brain.
Does it also smell like
Trees are
strawberry?
magical. Thank you. Ooh.
Homie. That one's not for us.
Yes,
That one's for
especially
you.
when you squeeze my head. You
Ice for
squeeze,
everybody.
you squeeze, the strawberry
one,
smell
however-
comes out. Just like
This one's for me.
yeah, just
Yeah, I mean, I prefer not to do it indoors, though it is convenient.
yeah. You give me hugs, squeeze
Heard
me,
it
and
first.
you
Don't
smell
squeeze
strawberries.
her head.
I have a very good.
Don't squeeze me too hard. I'll
Don't-
smell like
Yeah,
strawberry.
don't squeeze her head, guys. Come on. Unbelievable.
Wiggles. What's your
Yes.
problem, son?
Okay,
little-
bet.
Like a
Me.
headache.
It
but
might
it's,
if
like,
I ate a
right
bunch
here.
of like a strawberry slushy
the
or something.
coldness.
I don't know.
Dude, you know what you need to do?
Mine.
Think about that spot right there and say,
Exclamation
"Stop
blast.
Hit your
We
head
don't
on
have
something,
that
not you.
command.
Mate.
Exclamation blast. There
No,
we
I'm
go.
joking.
I
It,
get
it
those
didn't do
before.
anything.
Oh
do
no, I
get
didn't
those-
finish.
I tried.
Oh no, I did.
Sinus things when it's too cold.
Nope.
I
I thought I
tried.
saw my ball go way off course.
I have the cure for it.
No,
'Cause I
you,
get
you
mine as
didn't.
well.
Oh, Wiggles won again. What the?
You didn't
Oh,
die
you're
yet.
supposed to go off course. That's why. Okay.
Yeah.
Wiggles behind your ear.
Pew.
It's right behind my eye.
Wiggles definitely has all the hacks. I don't know how he keeps winning. He's got all the luck tonight.
The fucking cheater, that's why.
It's because he's suffering currently.
You
And
should play, like-
sufferers win.
No,
You should play like the
Well,
lotto
then
or
I should be
something.
like first place.
it's just a fucking hack, man.
Aw,
It found just
not the random.
Wiggles, you want me to rub your head?
This does not look like a fantasy
Dog flipping
island.
I'm sure there's more to that than needs to be said, buddy.
This does not look
No, his
like
head
fantasy
hurts.
island. This looks like
His head
hell.
hurts. I want to rub his head.
Boss, we need the plane.
Oh, and of
The
course.
ground is on fire.
Yes.
Again, I put down 11.
It's-
to Wiggles
If you were
18.
called, your pick's to not be called. Just saying. It's not gonna be called now.
And Wiggles wins, and I don't because Wiggles has got hacks, and you've got hacks, and everyone's got hacks.
No, if
Alright,
Wiggles wins
Junkie.
again, I will have to
What?
call the Marble Association of
all hacks.
Society.
Every single one of these.
Alright.
Until I win, they've all got hacks.
38 seconds.
Don't I get
Okay.
more points for getting a world record though too?
Yes,
I
you
was
do.
just about to say-
Do you?
Oh, it's on cooldown, right?
I was just about to say you get more
Just
points
cool down, man. Just cool down.
for hacking. You know.
Nah, well, don't be jelly, B.
Oh, I'm so jelly.
Oh yeah, I'm a filthy bot splasher.
B.
No, I have seen a season where you get a lot more points for world records, but I don't think that's the case this season.
Could we quote that?
It's already been
missed it.
quoted.
Oh,
A
the
filthy
bot liquor?
Splasher?
Yeah, the
Yeah.
bot liquor one. That was a recent one.
He loves bots a lot. That's
Oh,
what-
I'm trying to remember which quote it was, or which number it was.
Oh, it was 100 something.
Yeah, I'm gonna look real quick. I'm gonna
There
look.
should be a
We're gonna
list
see.
where
Oh,
you
you're
can
gonna
say
cheat? Is that what you
lists
just said? You're gonna cheat?
Yeah,
I,
yeah. Gonna
I-
look at the
and-
quotes.
Honestly, she probably has the whole
The spreadsheet?
list.
Well,
I'll be
yeah, they're
honest,
all
I
here in the
think I need
bot.
to be
Because
very
I could
drunk
just
before
look.
I'm quoted.
Yeah, oh yeah, we don't have access.
Oh,
Still
they're
gonna
off.
tickle in the bot like, give me your
Quotes were
secrets.
off too. Quotes were toggled off as well. What the heck?
I think I need to be very drunk before I'm quoted, for sure.
Well, that's one. Yes.
No, it's not. That's a cop.
mm,
That's a fucking. That's a
Postcoital
pleasant.
omelet.
If anything, that's a pleasant one.
let's see.
Oh, that was amazing. I remember that night.
You know what's funny is I didn't
Vaguely.
actually say it. I just accidentally pasted it to the whole
Oh
chat
yeah, because
instead
you're
of
There
trying
it
to say
is.
it to somebody
Yeah.
else.
114.
Oh,
No, I didn't do that.
There you go.
You dirty motherfucker.
Found it.
Ugh.
I told you guys I didn't turn off the sounds. I didn't turn off the quotes either. Now I'm wondering what else is turned off.
Turn off the what? Ding, ding.
Oh, I just went from second to eighth. What is going on here?
Oh, you're complaining after you win. Oh.
I mean, commands are not turned off, obviously. Turned down for what? Exclamation mark. Okay, there you go.
Ding, ding, ding.
Oh, don't look at me.
Don't. Okay.
Winner.
Don't lick at me.
No, that's why I tried to say
No,
lick,
don't
and I
look
was
at
so-
me.
We both did the same thing. 'Cause right when you
It
said that, we
sounds
both
like-
licked instantly.
Oh
I'm
no!
gonna say it. From what he said to what you said, sounds the fucking same to me. Sounds like
No, that's why me and Splints put lick
Oh.
in the chat.
You
sounds the same.
Guys,
Sound
you
like
guys.
Don't lick.
Cat with 50,
Don't
Splits with
you
46,
lick it
Dusty with
about
42.
me.
Don't look like lick
Rigged.
me.
It was definitely
Sound
rigged
like
this
that
time.
thing.
It's because I, turned on the quotes or
How does
whatever.
it feel to
Oh
lick
no, I did
me
hit
like
exclamation
you
blast
do?
a little while ago. Maybe that did something.
Oh my god, there's so many.
Alright, guys. Exclamation
Yeah,
play to join the race. Exclamation play.
Oh, sorry.
Turn myself.
AKA
Don't.
copy.
60 seconds. Let's go.
60
Fuck,
seconds.
Do you know
Alright,
what?
let's look at this
Screw
track.
you,
Oh
big
wow, this one's got lots of
ugly, bald-headed bastard. I fucking
lots of
knew you'd do
light
it.
going
Knew
on,
you'd
lots
do
of
it.
Hey, don't
spirally
make fun of my
things. It
Fucking
looks pretty
knew it.
cool.
It's busy for sure.
Mate.
Yeah.
Oh,
I'm guessing it's
yeah.
kind of like a racetrack.
Just means that we are just.
It actually looks like some sort of weird, like, nuclear fission plant.
It
What's
looks
the
to you.
record on? A minute 49, so it's not like super fast.
149.
We need to get
Like that's a long
Wiggles
time. That's a pretty
Battle
long
Cat.
track.
So that means
Yeah.
I'm gonna get 130.
It probably has, like, something that trips you up at some point.
149 is the
138.
record to beat. You guys got to beat 149.
Let's go.
138.
1738. Oh god, I hate hearing myself.
We need
Anyway.
to get everyone.
Dude, I sound like a 14.
Are you hearing your own voice on
11.
stream? Is that it?
Mm-hmm.
11 is
Uh-huh.
my number. I've got stream fucking.
You don't
Well,
get
that's
the
up to
views
you.
if
You,
don't
you
have-
can mute stream. You just don't get the music.
Yeah,
No,
but
you
then you
don't
don't
get
have
the
to hear
view.
yourself.
No, if
No,
I
that's what I
mute
do.
you, you don't get my view. That's messed
Yeah.
up.
Oh.
It's a trick of
Nah.
the trick.
Well,
trick
Yeah,
of
I gotta keep you at least at like I think it's
What
like
if you-
4% volume.
mute the tab and not the stream.
That's what I thought about doing too.
All right, yeah,
Wait
I'm
a
being
minute, that
lazy.
is-
That might work.
That's actually.
That's
smart.
what they used to say. Mute the tab, not the stream. But then you still have to actually talk. Lurking doesn't count either anymore.
For me,
I tell you.
tab run.
But you do an exclamation
Why
play,
Why
so
don't
that's
lurk
talking.
does? That makes no sense.
No,
If somebody
obviously
does.
All
wants to
right,
just
so
watch
wait,
us.
if I mute the tab,
Yeah, you go up to the top tab and hit right click and mute.
mute site. Yep, got
Mute
it.
site is.
And it mutes all the Twitch channels. And then the volume thing
does
is still
Twitch know?
up.
Does Twitch know that I've done that? Because
I don't think they can tell because you didn't hit mute on the stream.
Okay,
It's-
yeah,
that was
I
the
actually turned you
theory.
up before I did that.
Yeah, that was the theory. Was that they can't tell, but
Alright, well, I'll do that too then. I'll turn you all the way up and then mute.
but I don't know if it
kind of want
matters.
to know. I kind of want to know.
So
because I'd
lurk
rather...
doesn't actually make you lurk.
I did the same thing.
No, it doesn't. It just says, "Hey,
Well,
I'm
if you're
here,"
there
but
lurking, who says you have to?
Yeah.
Mute? That's kind of
And if you lurk and you never talk, then you don't count as viewing.
well,
You
I
don't
have
count
you
as a
all the way up,
viewer. You don't count. That's what Twitch says. You don't count. You can't. I was like,
Give it to me. Oh.
and I totally
Wiggles
am
has
down to
been
watch
top-
streams and never say a word that I'm there, but
I'm calling.
I should count.
Marbles authority.
Another world record.
What?
Nice.
Yeah.
You know what?
Shocking.
I said I was gonna
Yeah,
get
fucking
140.
yeah.
I have no
I said I
idea
was
what
gonna
I'm
Just
saying.
lurking, streaming. Crazy
I said I
Kiwi
was gonna get
clips. What?
148 and
Crazy
beat my
Kiwi.
Dude, I was
Welcome,
like-
welcome.
I half of a
What
second
if I
behind you.
watch with my eyes closed? Yeah, there's no way they know your eyes are closed, so that should be
Well,
acceptable.
pretty soon
That should be
we're
acceptable.
gonna have to
Ah,
ads. We're
They
gonna have to
can't-
actually watch them.
They can't discriminate against the visually impaired, so that they can't.
How
So yeah.
How the fuck do you get to that speed and that time?
Popping
frame?
in
And
for
I'm
a short
sitting there
bit, not
fucking
gonna be
going,
playing. Okay. I hope you get to feeling better.
Any bets? Any bets? Any bets?
Wiggles number one.
third,
I
Shocky
third,
know, but I
number
like
two.
that you guys
third,
saw
third
it.
we're going for
Well,
Wiggles. Third we're going for Wiggles. Third Wiggles.
alright, but hi,
Third Wiggles.
Kiwi! Okay,
No, Wiggles is
okay.
gonna be
Alright,
first.
third place.
Shocky.
Third place.
Third Wiggles.
Shocky
Wiggles.
is gonna be second. Splints
Out
is
of
third.
nowhere.
I'm not third.
Oh, fucking hell, that's
Starts with an S, close
well
enough.
out of left field. Well left field.
Shocky's gonna be
Second place.
Second place.
second.
Shocking.
There you go.
Let me guess. It's Kimono.
And then Wiggles
First place. It better not be.
I bet you it's fucking Kimono.
Wiggle, wiggle,
Oh,
wiggle,
I,
wiggle, wiggle.
I knew
Oh.
the
With
I knew
the
the two.
hacks.
I just didn't know
Everybody
the third.
likes to wiggle.
See, I
Wiggle,
got it
wiggle,
almost
wiggle.
right.
That's 2 wins with a world record tonight.
I
I almost
know.
got it. I literally said 1 and 2.
I didn't
but
win.
did not get the
This
third.
doesn't make sense. Yeah, it's point based, and each track has a different amount of points based on the length,
Damn
based
it,
on the
I'm
number
always
of
one over.
players. So in the end, it's the total points that count, not how many races you won. Which is that's how it works. Points. Cheaters. See, here's the total points. So down here, like Reichs,
That was a close
you
one.
went in 7 races, but your points were only 94.
Very close, 6 points.
And like, yeah, Shocky has lots and lots of points. But yeah, basically it's based on points. Poor
Okay, so the
Six
thing
down
is,
there with
though,
36.
the points don't have anything to do with any individual race. They're overall
I
points
like
since the
your
season started.
kimono chat points.
No,
Here,
this is for
let
this
me-
total for
Let
this
me
races.
hook you
This is
up with
just-
some
not-
points.
This is just a 7.
No fucking way.
See?
Yeah, that's what it says right there. It's just for this 7.
Yeah, because I played. I would easily have more than
500.
50
Oh,
points.
wait. Those are
It's just-
cookies.
Oh yeah, you're right. I'd have way more than 72.
Right,
You're right. Okay, my bad.
And it might help if I
What the
actually
fuck?
add it to your name. There
It
you
is
go.
terrible, man. How do we do it? How do we continue our life like this?
I'm
I
gonna
still
have to
did it
go
wrong.
Cry.
At
Oh, I
right,
missed score sheet.
Goodberry.
Oh, sorry.
500. I gotta
Alright,
do it in the
I'll be
right
back
order
with
for
you.
it to count. It didn't count. It didn't do it. It didn't do it. The bot hates me today.
Mhm.
What did I do wrong? It's not adding cookies.
Well,
I swear.
Fucking.
It doesn't like me.
luckily I kind of know where Wiggles lives now.
I
so-
tried in both directions. It didn't do it. It said no cookies for Reichs.
I'm gonna have to try this.
I want to win.
Let's see. All right, we're gonna add some more races here. The bot just hates me today. I swear this bot wants to fight every single thing I want to do. It's like, nah, not doing that either. I don't feel like it. Nah, pass. I guess it's entertaining.
Come on.
Something like that.
I need to get Wax sponsored.
All right.
That's good.
Exclamation play to start the first race of this Grand Prix. There will be 7 races and then to determine the podium winner. So yeah. Exclamation play to get your marble on the track, guys. Exclamation play. Hurry! Don't get left behind. Let's see.
How about another
Uh,
world record there, eh?
Yeah. Who's gonna get the world record this time?
Hey.
I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna say it's Michigan. Michigan's gonna get the world record this time.
Wish. Well, I like the
I don't know.
confidence, but
I'm going to disappoint you all by saying that it's
I'm gonna get
Definitely
last
gonna be.
place.
definitely going to be. I'm
It's
gonna
gonna
be
be my.
probably.
If I do,
I'm
then
probably
that'd be
gonna-
awesome.
I'll be honest.
Gonna
with you,
be me.
I'm probably going to be in the top 4.
Little Brittany in there.
This one?
Little Brittany.
I'm going to be.
Mhm.
I'm going to
I'm
be in
gonna
the top
be
4.
I'm gonna be top 8.
I'm
There's
gonna
only
be in
8
top
people.
4. Yeah. If I'm not first, I'm
I'm
top
gonna be
4.
top 10.
Top 10.
Yeah, top
Mate.
10.
All right, guys, here we go.
Well
Off to a good start.
Well, will that shit into fruition?
Why is
I'm gonna be
Dreams
top
always
4.
all the way out there in the front? What is
'Cause he
going on there?
cheats.
It's hacks.
Hey, hold on just
You've
a
had
wee jiffy.
fun. I'm out.
Even though
Bye.
Wiggles
Good
wins
night,
all the time.
Silent. Take care. Thank you for being here. Thank you
Well,
for
Silent,
lurking.
take care, man.
Get some sleeps,
care.
man. Stay warm. Stay warm.
You want some
Have fun.
cuddles? You know where I live.
Stay warm.
Yeah. Stay very warm.
Michigan giving out free cuddles tonight.
Hey,
If I'm not
I'm a
first,
furnace.
I'll
I
be
am
in
a
top
furnace.
4.
So.
I know that. Will it into fruition, mate? It's gonna happen.
I literally am a furnace. It's just
Oh, this looks like a bouncy one, like the other one. It's like bounce all over the place.
hand wiggles. Jump around. No, this is the one while we're all on acid. Okay.
We're gonna have to drug test Michigan.
no, not me.
Ah!
Just because I
Not
say it a lot doesn't
again.
mean anything.
Not
Yes, you say
again.
it all the time, man. We're gonna have to test you.
No. If I say it a lot, that means it's not me.
You know.
There you go.
Just outside.
All
I
right,
just outside
waiting
it.
on.
I said top 4. I said top 4.
Waiting on Ranks. Where'd Ranks go? Whoa, he's way back there.
He's like, dude, I am so
Come on, Ranks. You got this.
somewhere.
Willing shit into existence.
Ah! Nothing to see
Gonna
here.
happen.
Nothing to see here. Next. Nothing to see.
Okay.
Yeah. Look
so
at that drug test.
I'm gonna tell you, this next round.
You're taking your time. Rigged. Definitely rigged.
You're also not going to win?
Exclamation play to get your marble on the track, guys. Exclamation play.
what? I am gonna fight. Hold on.
All right. This one's outdoors. You know, we're gonna touch some grass
You wanted
now.
to fight. We're fighting.
Touch some grass, guys. Exclamation play.
I'm gonna let you know. This one, I'm winning.
I mean, you should. It looks like Scotland, you know, so you should
Mate,
win.
It's my fucking homeland.
It does.
The
This is
motherland.
interesting. Right?
The motherland.
Let's go. Let's go.
This is a very good fucking view. Can you tell
Anyway,
me?
Cat
come on,
fight.
I
don't know how to
Yeah.
Show me
fight.
the view again. Show me the view.
No, it's a cat fight, so you'll probably win then, right?
Fight.
Oh.
Oh.
Turn that camera on. Let me see the whole line again.
All right. 1 second. There you go. Oh, I won. All right. Yeah. There you go. There you go. There's the view.
See, I said
Yeah,
you're gonna
yeah.
win a cat
I
fight.
fucking-
Yes, Kimono
you know
is the
what?
cat.
Not far from the fucking truth, I'll tell you.
I know. That's what I
That's
thought
literally
when I
what-
saw that. I was like, it's not far.
Well,
I don't know where it's really at, but it could be. It could be something similar.
Anyways, yeah.
well,
During
Could be.
that fight, I
you
did
know
slip.
what?
Could be Greenland.
I'm winning this.
It could be a lot of
yeah,
places.
Could be. Do you know that Greenland is green?
Fucking New Zealand.
No, green. No, that's a lie. Greenland is full of ice, and Iceland is full of.
What?
green.
I didn't know
So
that.
It's probably gonna be,
Unbelievable.
Iceland. Probably gonna be Iceland.
Michigan
Yeah.
is super hot and Florida's cold.
I'm just letting you know. I'm winning this. I got a flying fuck. I'm willing it into.
Drink your water, guys. Stay hydrated.
I got my
Oh, I'm
butt kicked
hydrated.
today, so.
And on the
I'm
top
trying
of
not to cough.
Can I mix my water with vodka?
I mean,
They both look the same.
it's clear, right?
I'm
So
pretty
I
sure.
mean, it's clear,
Cool.
so
Pretty
it
sure
counts.
That's what he did already.
Slanjava.
That's what you're
Luckily, I
saying,
picked a
Jay.
marble that was good at flying for this race. Good job.
All about that booty.
Let's see.
fucking-
Wah!
Wiggles wins. But why is it so fast?
Y'all keep
Wait.
changing who's in first so fast. I don't even know what's
Why
going
is it-
on here.
I'm about to say it's so damn fast.
Come on, Dreamweaver. Fucking pick your ass up.
But yeah, I was gonna show y'all. Yep,
Fucking-
I'm a cat. I have new claws. So
Yeah. That's why I
new
lost.
claws.
Right there.
New claws. You can't really see them, but they're the cat. They're actually the cat eye ones. It does the cat eye effect thing.
Oh, the light shimmery.
No, I got those too.
They make me
Okay, so-
happier. They're actually much more comfortable too. I've got them shorter and pointier. The square ones were like so bulky and heavy, and I was.
Yeah, I know, girl.
They were being a pain.
I tend to
The
go with the
stuff
longer, like, claw-like ones.
Yeah. The ones that
Yeah, so when
you
have to.
the ones that have you seen those videos where the cats are trying to show their owner how to retract their claws because they got the really long pointy ones?
Yeah.
They're like this. Do this.
They're like, do
Disengage.
this.
Disengage.
Yes, do this to retract your
Yeah, Wiggles
claws. This
has-
is how.
And the cat's
Okay.
like, do it. You're not doing
You
it.
know what? I'll accept it. Give me the bleep. Give me the fucking bleep now. Give me
I
the
wasn't
bleep.
even in that race. It wasn't fair.
Hey.
Oh.
Hey, Aiden, who's gonna win that race? Who's gonna win that
I
race?
don't know. Oh,
You're-
this
you
one's
stole my number.
I always play 11.
All right,
You
guys,
stole
get
my
ready.
number.
Get out of here.
One thing I'm hearing is
Yet,
excuses.
yet again, you stole my number. So
Hey,
that's the reason why.
Mono 112 though. Mono 112.
Expansion play
Oh,
get
shoot,
your
I need
marble
to
on the
play,
track,
actually.
guys.
112.
Expansion play.
Ever since I
That-
went to Kimono's Marble, I can't win.
1 minute.
Fucking stole my number. That's how you won.
I need new wax. That's what I always say.
Kono wins because she's got hacks and she owns the
Mhm.
server.
Yeah, she has hacks. I
And
have
you win.
wax.
and you
Ooh.
win, and Wiggles
Dreams,
wins
you're
because you
purple
steal
this
my
time.
number.
Because I what?
No. Wiggles wins because he steals
Da
my
da
number.
da.
That's why.
Yeah, correct.
6.
You didn't even play in the first series, and I won, and you were.
Shin. Wiggles and Battle Cat are
That's
matching. Crazy
I was
Kiwi.
here to,
Welcome
No,
back.
I'm
maybe
not
not.
Welcome
checking
back. Ooh,
Never
ooh.
mind, Battle
Check it
Cat.
out.
Don't listen to me. It worked.
Ooh,
I didn't think it would,
is that like a
but it worked.
Cyclops marble?
Marble?
Look at that.
Never mind. I
It
was
looks
trying to tell
kind
you
of
to
like
put a
it because
space
of
between
the
your numbers,
glasses.
but
The glasses
Oh.
make it look like a
Either
Cyclops.
or it works. Yeah.
It's the
some
Marbles
bots
logo,
don't work
but it
that
looks
way,
like an
though, is
eye.
what I was getting at.
Oh. Good luck, all. Good luck.
My bot
Desi,
would
did
work
you make
that way,
it?
'cause my
Desi
bot,
made it. Sweet.
users would do all sorts of silly shit.
Sounds
You know
about.
what?
Rex didn't make it. Oh, snap.
Cheers.
Not fast.
So sad. So sad.
Oh, he didn't make. Oh, whatever. Yeah, he didn't make it.
No. Didn't make
I'm
it to
a
the
dirty
race.
bot splasher.
Well, you make sure that electronics don't work because you keep flashing it.
Good job there, Splits. Good job. There,
Not the-
boop.
the-
Boop dreams. And I'm gonna yeet somebody off the track. Who is it? It's Battle Cat. Battle Cat's getting yeeted. Or we just gotta figure out how. But yeah, Battle Cat's gonna get yeeted.
I do.
I don't even know if this is a command, but I'll try it anyway.
No! Splits, I just had a shower, I promise. You know, I don't need
Fucking
another
lady.
bath.
Where is That's a very good point. Where is Lady?
Lady is
Downstairs.
not here. She's lurking.
Currently
She's
here.
lurking.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, is she?
Neither
Lady
here,
O.
neither there.
I'm pretty sure she's in
Unlike
Final
Paul.
Fantasy Land.
She has
Okay.
her
Final
own life.
Fantasy.
Hey,
To
Dreams,
lazy.
you're running away with it.
To
You're gonna
lazy,
win this
to
one.
Lady.
You're gonna
Mm-hmm.
win this one, buddy.
Because it looks like a
Dreams.
factory.
Don't,
You're like
don't
way
you
out
fucking
Yeah.
tempt- don't
Not
you
unless
fucking
somebody,
tempt
yeah,
me.
like-
Don't you tempt me.
Somebody's gonna have to.
Wow. You got this one, buddy.
There.
You got this one.
Well,
Good
okay,
for you,
we'll see.
Peter.
No, Peter.
Pew.
Who the fuck? Peter Pan.
Good job.
Mate,
All right,
was- maybe
guys,
I
come on
gave
down the track.
I'm gonna be dead last. I'm dead last.
Maybe I gave off. Okay.
Oh wow!
So,
I thought I
no.
thought I would have been behind you, but nope.
The other game that just happened, I mean, I was fortuitous in knowing that I was going to win, but
I
just
don't
not
So the background
that
fades
game,
in and
you
out.
know?
I noticed, like it's like dark, and then it's bright, and then it's dark, and it's bright.
Yeah,
GG
it goes through
dreams.
the color transition.
Mm-hmm.
Wiggles got last place finally.
Swift
Talked about that
Wandering
for like 30
Whirl.
minutes.
This is gonna be it. Y'all are gonna be super fast on this one, and we're gonna make another record.
I like
Better.
Swift.
That's your job.
135.
Yeah,
Sounds
super
fast.
fast.
I like Swift.
Coming for your right.
1 minute to get your marble on the
I'll
track.
wonder why.
1 minute. Don't get left behind. Hurry, hurry, hurry.
Behind.
What are you, 11?
I mean, booty,
No.
booty, booty, booty. I don't know. I might be 11.
12.
I'm fine this time. Good. Good job, Rex. Proud of you. Proud of you, man. Oh, yeah, there, booty. Sweetie, sweetie, I'm here for the booty. That must be an old emote command there. Oh, what was the booty emote, I bet. My bot does not have that level to use that emote.
It's not a longer than 1 month sub.
I'm not paying tier 3 for my bot. Booty, I'm gonna fix that right now. Doo-doo-doo.
Oh, who would have fucking thunk it?
It has been fixed.
Yep. Close. Wiggles. Stay the fuck away from first. Splints, kill him.
Da, da, da.
What are you trying to?
Right.
Wait, you the grandfather over here? Like, get him.
Do
Not
it, do
kill him,
it.
Thank you. But yes. Fucking.
No, that's why I said it that way, because it's like cheaper. Oh,
What? Grand
You see
Father
me
Chicken
wiggles.
Godfather?
We're wiggling.
we got Timu Godfather at home.
I just want.
You killed on sacred ground.
I'm
No,
sorry,
not kill
Wiggles.
ground.
Let's see if we can disturb the spirits.
Do it.
Let's see.
That's not. Don't.
Oh, what are you doing?
Let's disturb the spirits. Let's see if it works.
I'll see if.
I take no part in that shit. Well, I'm already destined for,
spirit.
I'm already destined for fucking.
I'm gonna be in trouble now.
Yeah.
Poke catch ever catch Pokemon. Weeping Bell.
I'm definitely the bus driver to hell. I tell you that for nothing.
Do I still have that emote? I do. There. Weeping Bell.
There you go.
Hell.
Rex, GG. First place for Rex.
All
Good
I
buddy.
do is lose.
Every time I see that name, I automatically think of like what's the name of the guy? Is it Goodberry from
You mean Roddenberry?
the guy from fucking
Get on my level.
fuck.
Try, we'll
The
try.
guy from
Endless spinning chaos.
no, the one from
Spinning. Well, I guess we'll find out.
guy from fucking you know.
Yeah,
Maybe I can allocate it to you because I can't remember.
1 minute on the clock. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Gonna knock down my light here in a second.
Wax 5,000.
No.
Nice.
Yes.
I have to do something.
All emotes.
fucking the
Crazy Kiwi getting hyped.
God.
Hype. I'll just say
No
hype.
one call Weeping Bell. 25 seconds. Copy pasta. Exclamation play. Dreams! Exclamation Dreamweaver! Dreamweaver! Hype? Yeah! Just like that. There you go, Kiwi. All the
Now who's
extra
still
hype.
whose ball?
Who the fuck was it? Hightower.
Ta-da!
Police Academy.
Yeah.
Alright.
Every time I see that
Spinning.
fucking name, like Good Betty, there's a guy
Just keep
in
on
Police
spinning.
Academy
Keep on
that
spinning.
has a very similar name.
Trying to get us dizzy.
It's a good.
Keep on spinning.
I don't know.
Oh,
This is
Shane went down the
Halloween.
hole.
This is.
Ryan, so
I want to go down the
I
hole.
should get mental.
We're all gonna go down the
I
hole. It's
apologize,
just
but-
when we
Oh,
go down
yeah.
the hole.
Hurry up.
Elevator go up. Elevator go
Elevator go
down.
Yes.
Devin.
Alright, we have Shane in the lead, well ahead of everyone. We have Desi,
Look at all
Crazy
these
Kiwi,
weird gut
Splints,
microbes.
Dreams, Rex, Michigan, Wiggles, BattleCat, and
It
Cat.
looks like a sperm from way back.
That is my tentacle. Leave me alone.
you look like a
It's a
sperm from way back.
tentacle.
Don't make it. Look,
Yours
it's
Uh-huh.
just a weird growth on my foot. It's fine.
That's what it
From
is
way back
labeled.
here.
It is labeled tentacle. It's a tentacle.
Okay, yeah,
That's why
okay.
the jellyfish
yeah.
head.
Technically, it's a
tentacle.
tentacle.
Okay,
it's a technical.
Yeah.
Tentacle.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Oh.
Technically technical.
Trying to merge some words together here.
Merge.
And this is quite a long, windy track here.
Yeah,
It's a
no,
2
'cause we're
minute-
trying to get-
two-
we're trying
two-
to
2 minute 26 seconds is
Yeah.
directed, so that's a long track.
That's a
Come on,
long
this is the
track.
slowest sperm ever.
I'm not winning, Michigan. I'm not winning. I'm not winning. Yeah.
Very familiar. So yeah, I'm glad.
Gonna make me change my thing.
Well, yeah, now my brain.
Yeah, Kiwi, you make maps.
Cause look at that. Look
Tell
at
me
it.
more.
Sorry.
Oh, dirty birdie time.
No.
What's your
it
favorite
wasn't-
map,
I'm not being
Kiwi?
dirty, it's just what it looks like. There's a
Don't
difference.
change your thing.
Don't change your thing. Just
No,
You
'cause
no.
Merdy
far
nerd.
away. Anyways, never
Right.
mind. It
Ta-da.
looks like a
It's so far away.
just like a big worm. That's what I'm gonna say now.
Tentacool can definitely can.
Shane
I
has
can
like
see it.
secured his lead. You guys are slowly
Yeah,
catching
yeah.
up. Desi is, but
Yeah.
not fast enough.
Look,
Kimono had
He
two
was
big
like,
tails.
no.
look, I don't know. For the
Jeez.
life of me, how someone can be at like fucking 3,000
Sorry.
Oh yeah, I'm not getting podium this time.
Tentacool.
No way.
Yeah, it's Pokemon.
Woo!
Fucking Tentacan.
Kimono
We
is
have
motherboard.
Shane, Desi, and Kiwi with the points.
I'm so interested to find out how.
Next race, Minion Twisty Castle. Minions
I
Twisty
want
Castle.
Kimono Sorry, I want Kimono to win next
What?
one.
I
Just
mean,
because
like,
it would
what
be
the
cool.
fuck am I doing?
Da-da-da. Oh, I hate this one.
You do nothing wrong. It's called Luck of the Irish.
Maybe not. Maybe this is. If this is the one I'm thinking of,
Scottish.
it might not be. I don't know.
No, there's no luck of any Scottish.
Hey, we won. No, never mind.
Exclamation
One.
play.
We had good times. We had good
Exactly.
times. I had to correct myself on that. We had good times.
Wait. Yeah.
I have no comment, but yeah, you are correct.
I'll be honest with you, I'm a little bit fucking disappointed. Really disappointed.
I
Because
thought you
Yeah.
said
Actually,
dyslexic. I was like, yeah, you are.
During Desert Storm,
36 seconds. Copy pasta. Exclamation play.
You got a lot of sand.
I
in
want some
places where it
pasta
shouldn't
now.
be.
I'm a little
That
bit
does
disappointed.
sound amazing right now.
Let's all
Oh,
get pasta.
I'm kind of like
pasta would be
Some
amazing.
little
I wanna
pescetti with some meatballs, or oh no,
Yeah.
Y'all like
Hey,
skinny
Boatman.
Alfredo with
Boatman has
meatballs.
turned into a
So
bush.
Guess what?
An
I literally
alien
bought that
with
for
a bush
dinner the other
hair.
night, so.
Boatman, welcome to the
Are we
stream.
doing sketty wrestling?
Look at that.
Ooh, I'll wrestle with you.
Sketty
no, I just want
wrestling.
a bowl of spaghetti. I'm not wrestling for it.
Welcome to the stream, Boatman.
I
Welcome.
want
I-
wrestling the
I do
sketty.
have that, Wiggles. I do have that in my refrigerator right now because it's like
He's got
it's on a
wrestling
rest-free,
sketty.
package.
Right.
So it's not like-
I will give that one a try. I'm gonna have to look it up
I do
so I
have
can
that for
try it.
dinner tonight, though. Or for
Dude, could you imagine if Wrestle Sketty was like a brand and somehow that had something to do with, I don't know, a
Then they
sport?
sponsor WWE.
Wrestling Sketty.
Oh, it's a track.
Yeah. Yeah. Crazy QB makes tracks, so we'll have to look it up and try it.
Do it.
Oh, yeah.
That'd be awesome.
QB
And get
uploaded
the
a new
world
one.
record.
Yeah.
Yeah, it only
See if we can get a
allows
new
this
world,
freaking-
get a world record on Kiwi's track. That would be awesome.
Oh, because we're the first to ever play it. Yeah.
I'm sure we're not the first. I'm sure it's been played already, but yeah.
Oh,
We'll have to check it out.
I want Kimono to win now, just for science.
Hello, happy Friday! Thank you, Boat. Happy Friday to you too.
Why is it always so dead? Sorry, my battery. I mean,
Well, I'm always dead. What?
my battery. It's always dead.
Us dead? No fun.
Estas las muertos.
No.
You want one of these? Look at that. 1999.
Okay, I'm only kidding, but yes.
Boatman slipping in there with his
My bad.
bush. Thinks he's hiding in this.
Flipping it.
Slipping in there
He
with
thinks
his
he's
foot. He
hiding
thinks
in
he's
this
hiding it.
fort that's all stone and wood. He can't hide.
Man,
You can't hide in
he's
here.
just fishing with the.
Brother,
He's
get
on
it.
the wrong map.
Boy.
Exactly. We're in
On the
middle of
wrong
war
map
and
to
he
be
has a
hiding.
ghillie suit on.
It is
It's
funny
like-
though. It's so cool.
I love that. He's good at
That's
emote
awesome.
too. I love the emote too.
That's
I've seen
great.
the emote too before. I think he's used it
I was
before.
hoping for the
The boosh.
bush man at one point in life. Never.
Ferme la bouche. Sorry, that's French for shut your mouth.
Fine. Oui.
No. No, you only have to listen if you're French. I wasn't talking to you.
Boatman's gonna take all your points, Chalky. I think Shane took them.
Come on, Ruben.
Don't worry, don't
Yeah.
worry.
Mon père. Non, je. Non, excuse-moi, mon père.
Excuse me, my
Oh.
father. What?
No.
Dude, I
Wanna
only-
eat the
Excuse
French?
me,
I
mon
know
père
four
is
languages.
excuse me, my father.
Yeah.
It's definitely no podium this time. I'd have to win this next one.
Why am I yawning?
Hey,
Johnny
all you
style.
have to do is win.
Did
It
you
is
get
definitely not
wax
allowed. Too early for that.
5,000?
I know, right?
He used
Yeah, the Red
his,
Wings
he,
won.
I'm gonna need some more caffeine.
Fucking hell, I'm done. I'm absolutely baked.
I need more.
Oh
green
yeah.
tea in my
Why you
beer.
All right, look at the points. 4 of us got points. GG, guys.
Whoop, whoop. I'm at the bottom.
All right,
I only
rather
got one. I don't
rudimentary.
Really give a fuck.
Hey, you started from the bottom.
This is the
You can't
last
go
race of
down.
the
No,
Grand
yeah.
Prix. Make sure you get into this race, guys! Exclamation play.
And if I
Did
don't
I-
win,
Oh, shit.
will-
Ah, the first one to show up.
This is the last one. Oh,
started from the bottom, now we're
I
here.
am. Thank you so much. Hello. I hope you're doing
Wait, what
awesome.
am I trying to do?
In the last race, right?
Hit play.
I already
You're
done
already
that.
in. I don't
Don't
know.
worry about it.
You
Talking
trying to
about-
order me sushi.
Caps locked is okay.
I'm
I-
sorry. Living
figured
in
it wasn't
Michigan,
on
I'm not sure I
purpose.
would trust any sushi.
It happens.
No, I'd probably die off of that sushi.
Yeah.
Don't worry about it.
All right, guys.
I'm-
28
Forget
seconds.
about
Copy
it.
pasta. Dreams. Copy pasta. Exclamation play.
Or
Come
the
on,
kitchen.
Kimono, you need to win.
Oh no, he's in the kitchen.
I'll be honest with you, I'm fucking pretty much out with this game already.
Come on, come on,
so-
come on. Drink more water. Thank you. I need more than water right now. I need some caffeine.
Yeah, she needs new friends.
Oh, come on.
New friends?
An app.
Jeez.
It's a joke.
No new friends. No new friends. Wait,
You
what?
know, apparently,
Uh-huh.
I didn't get into that one because apparently, chat was connecting.
Oh.
Well, let's refresh. I
No,
didn't get nib
you
it.
didn't make it.
Well, yeah, that's what
All
I
right.
just did.
While y'all run around this ring for the next 1 minute and 32 seconds, I'm gonna go make some coffee real quick, and I'll be right back.
Right,
We'll
get
be
your
right here.
coffee.
Make some coffee,
Put a
and you're
little
gonna
vodka
hold
in it.
off for a
There
minute
we go.
before I fucking put my name in there. Yeah, I'll fucking
That's wild.
just a minute.
What am
I'll
I
be there.
Too late.
Hey, yeah.
The race is already started.
Anyways,
That's it.
Oh no!
I know you guys don't care, but the Red Wings won. Hey, chat,
you
the Red
don't.
Wings won.
And I'm not part of the race.
Yeah.
How did that happen?
Don't
Oh,
show
maybe
us
there's
stuff
more than
you want,
10.
buddy.
Okay.
Now I can get the hockey
Yeah, there's
game
more
off.
than 10. Du, du, du.
Oh,
Du, du, du,
Yeah, I'm
du.
not even in it. Oh yeah, I'm in it. Okay, I'm in 5.
Oh,
I need a
yeah.
win. I need to
I'm
win
in
this
5.
one.
All I need
Fight
is a
to
win,
win.
win,
Get
win,
off
I'm
the
in
win.
5.
podium, you fucking prick.
I'm gonna
Hey.
You're
beat you.
peak.
You don't need a podium.
You don't need a podium either.
I'm gonna give you a podium
Okay.
to sit
You had a
on.
good time, son.
Oh, sorry, we're live. I meant,
Whoa.
A lot of
I can't-
pancakes.
can I get banned?
I like lamp.
Asking to be
I
banned.
Somebody
love
ban
lamp.
me. Wait 2 seconds. Thank you. Appreciate it.
I like turtles.
I like poidles.
Tutorials.
Dude, you know what's fucked up
I hope she
is I
didn't
was
mute
trying
us.
I was trying to
can't hear
log
it.
into one of my retirement accounts the other day, and it's like, what's your favorite cartoon? I couldn't remember. I was like, what? Wait a minute. How could it not be one of
GG,
these
Tane,
13 cartoons?
congratulations! No new friends, no new friends. That's cause
No,
old
no
friends
friends,
are
no
best.
new friends.
Aww. Yeah, Mono had to. No, I did not. I'm making coffee.
Cheesecake.
She
Why
had to go
not?
poop. Yeah,
It's
she always
brewing.
poops.
No whipped cream.
Don't with the coffee though. You might have to poop afterwards.
Yeah, it's gonna make other things
Yeah.
brew, right?
Hang on.
We apologize for
There
the.
we go.
We
I
apologize.
know it's late
for
night
the,
on Friday night, but do we
intermission.
have to bring a poop conversation into
Apparently.
every
No,
evening?
yeah. Well,
I
it's a
did
shock-
not.
It's
I did not.
I'm
It's
like
a shock
Shocky.
thing. It's not me.
We
I
apologize.
was just
It's the
reading.
chocolate
Are
ice cream in chat.
Chucky?
What's podium? What's podium? You think? I know I'm not on it this time.
Wiggles is third.
Right.
Oh, it ain't me.
I'm not
It
on
ain't me.
Alright.
I reckon it's going to be Shane.
It's gonna be you.
Breaks, Shane,
no,
and
so,
Michigan.
it's gonna
I
be
don't know.
Shane.
Mono.
No.
I think it's
No,
I think
not
Mono.
me.
You're on there. I think you're on there.
No,
I
it's
don't
Fucking
know.
won.
Maybe.
It definitely ain't no split.
Oh,
I got
Boatman.
zero
Boatman's gonna be in here.
wins.
Oh, Boatman's got a
Good
pile of
to
chocolate.
It's
I
good
got
to be
0 wins.
Please, I
me
need it.
and
Oh,
me.
it's
I'll be in. See?
Third
Right there.
place.
Mm.
Alright. I didn't even.
we're gonna
That's
put
gonna be
Rikes at the
again,
top.
and me again.
Let's see who's second.
Silent assassin.
Kimono's probably
I'm
gonna
clearly
be
gonna
number
be first, Hollow. Woo! Accidentally double clicked.
Wildcat.
Desi and Shane. I.
one. See,
What did
Wow.
what did
Way
I say?
off.
my cousin
Wow,
got
GG.
third, so that means I
What
get
did I say?
half a point.
What did I say?
Woo!
Fucking-
Nice job, Shane. Yeah. All right. Good
Oh,
job.
wait,
Good
Shane,
job.
Why is your
Shane,
ball so
that
plain?
fucking
Because he didn't pick a number when he plays. He likes the white one. But man will be or be. He need to drop the
Ball's not
little
on that ball.
shockers. Oh my God, Shocky.
Yeah, I got 5th. Wiggles got 8th.
All right, we're
I
gonna
meant
go find this
I got 2
track
podiums
again.
tonight.
We're gonna actually go back. It's under community, right? Oh,
What
no.
the hell is happening?
Race, community. We're gonna look for
Yeah, let's do that one.
yeah. What was it called? Hot what? Gotta go back and look.
Oh,
Hot
stuff.
Lovely Adventure.
Got the hot stuff.
There it is. Crazy
pick
Kiwis
something like that?
track.
Can you pick something? I went, why not?
This is our viewer. Our viewer
No,
built
you have
this
to-
track, so we're gonna play this track that our viewer built.
Like a fucking.
Thanks for the lurk, Shane.
Like from.
Did you want to let me lurking though? I need to try to play something. So have a wonderful stream and don't get into too much trouble without me. Oh, you know, no promises, no promises. Trouble is what we do here.
At later gameplay. Nice.
That
Alright.
is also not my fault.
Hot
Or
Foxy Love. Okay, here it is.
Oh, I'm
Gonna
doing
check
it on
it
purpose
out.
because I
Gonna
know
check
it's
it out.
gonna piss her right the fuck off next time I talk to her.
That's. Y'all are getting a look
She's gonna
at
show
it.
up and be like,
Here
"Why
it
the
is,
fuck
here
you
it is.
calling me out?" Nah, nah, nah. And I'm gonna
And
be
you
like,
gotta shoot out of the cannon into this spirally thing that changes everybody's luck. Oh, there's some blocks to change everybody's luck.
I need some luck.
Oh, there's a square funnel. A square funnel.
We all need somebody to love.
That's not gonna be very smooth.
We all need a buddy that has luck.
Then a portal to the end. Where's the end? I don't know. Portal takes us somewhere. We'll find out.
Dude, this is a
I
massive.
will imagine. Mate.
I can't find the beginning.
It's a quick
Oh, there
shot,
it is.
though.
I
It's
saw
over
it.
a
I saw it.
minute,
It's out
too.
there somewhere. There it is. There's the end. Way down there. Out there. You're gonna get shot
Way
out.
downtown.
Out of the thing.
Is there an option on this track to go above or below?
Repeat
Oh no, you're just looking at
Ah,
it from
Foxy
below.
Live.
Yep. Get ready, guys. This track is 1 minute and 23 seconds.
Better
Let's
lock them
go.
doors and turn them lights down low.
Doo doo doo.
This
Seen
shit's
that one
about
more
to get
time,
fucked.
gonna have to
Exclamation
turn
play to
it
get your
down
marble on the
low.
track. Exclamation play.
Careful
Copy
with that
pasta.
Discord face.
Go, go,
Copy
go.
pasta,
50 seconds.
Copy pasta.
Am I gonna have to
I
mute
wanna-
you
I wanna-
guys?
sorry.
I'm gonna have to mute you guys.
They're fine.
Oh no. They're muted. Just kidding. Dreams, if I can't sing Celtic or Celtic, you can't sing American Country. Yes, only 15% eliminations. Hee. Yeah, I'm gonna get eliminated. Gonna get eliminated.
Weird, like it would not connect. It kept
They're
saying,
back,
like,
they're back.
something RC route.
That's
You
why
were
it's
here
called
the whole
dis-
time.
That's why it's called Discord, because you have to Discord.
Well,
You had to
Discord has
disconnect
connection
that
issues
cord.
at times.
Yeah.
All
that's what-
right,
it's been
let's
real
go.
goofy lately. It's been
Right.
real goofy lately.
This one's really
Yeah.
pretty. I like that
It
it's
was
a
saying,
unique shape and pattern that I haven't seen because it looks like almost like a logo design or something.
It.
It was like saying RC.
It's science, one of my
routing or
favorite
something
colors.
I
like that.
mean, okay.
Right? That's like
Even
a
though
cyan,
it's
right?
blue, it still looks like one
Teal?
of
You
those
know more
levels.
colors than I do.
You know what I'm talking about. I don't have to
I
say
mean,
shit,
it
you
is
know what I mean.
hot and lovely, so you know.
Hot and lovely or hot and bothered, I'm not sure yet.
Giggity.
You're out, dude. Yeah, you're gonna be eliminated. Look at that boatman
Never mind.
scooching around in there. All right, James is shooting out the cannon. Everybody's shooting out the cannon across the way.
Aren't we all shooting out the cannon?
Yep. We haven't lost anybody yet. We've done good.
Did I even
It's like a hairbrush.
I don't think I joined.
I don't think we lost anyone.
I can't even shoot if I'm not in.
Not yet. We haven't lost anyone yet.
Okay. All right, guys. Can you make it through this? Look.
Bye. Bye.
The hair
Nope,
comb thinks.
nope, we've got some DNF
I'm
now.
gonna get the record. I'm gonna get the record. We get
Uh-oh.
No, no, I'm not getting the record.
No.
I'm gonna repath it.
I probably should be.
Woo, of course, Shocky is the first one to do this, you know, because he's friends with the Kiwi. He's got the Kiwi hacks. Look at that. We're just magically floating across the sky. Oh, Oh,
That's pretty
back
cool.
and dropped off,
I
but
believe
before
I
the
can
thing.
Oh no! Right before the
What? I did too.
He didn't have enough.
Doesn't
fly.
drop.
Oh, you lost that speed.
Kimono did it too.
That's a really cool track.
I like that we just fell off right
You
at the
say that
end.
just 'cause we
That was
got
kind of cool,
driven.
actually. It's like just random. Doop, doop, doop. Doop. So how does that even happen? Does that mean the cannon didn't give us enough power and we just kind of like fall? I don't know how to program these games. I don't know what they're built, but it was really cool.
No, it means they put in like a little gate
Ending
there
as
that
a
says
troll, yeah.
randomly slow down a ball.
I like that. I like that. I like it, Kiwi. Good job. Nice track.
Well, keep that one as a favorite if you can. Google
Can I?
it.
Oh, I can favorite tracks. Look at that. There we go. Can I like upvote it or something too while we're at it? I don't know how to do that. I can favorite it. I don't think I can. Depends on launch speed. Thanks. Wiggles gifting a sub to Crazy Kiwi. Thank you so much, Wiggles, for gifting Kiwi a sub. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Good track, good track.
Nico, Nico, Nico.
All right, we're gonna go to race menu.
Wiggles will wiggle.
No, we're gonna look. We're gonna look again. Actually, let's go back
All
this
my
way.
life, I've been
Go to
waiting for
Grand Prix
something.
Community
Never ends.
I keep on
Kiwi.
wiggling to the end.
Okay, here's all Crazy Kiwi's tracks. That one has 87% elimination. Oh my gosh, Kiwi, you like eliminating people. Wow.
Are you the eliminator?
Wow.
We gotta.
We'll try the 37% elimination one.
Since it's your track, and I get like the VIP.
Yeah.
Wax.
You get the special wax to make you go faster.
No, can we get special wax in the special lounge before the game?
The Miyagi wax. Wax on, wax off.
I will let you guys figure that out before I join, because I don't want to witness this. So
Wax off.
Do I have time to take a quick time out and
No,
grab
we
a
were not
beverage?
said it.
and potty
we
break?
can take a quick break,
Maybe
guys.
not, but you'll never find.
Let's
You
take
guys
a
take a
quick
break.
break and
Good idea,
rendezvous so nobody misses the Grand Prix and nobody gets left behind. We're gonna take a quick break, and I'm gonna run an ad and grab my coffee, and we'll be right back. And then we're gonna do this, and then we'll come back to another one of Kiwi's tracks and try it out. So we'll be right back, guys. What?
You.
Dirty litter box? No. 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 I'm back. I am back. Let's see. Oi. I can go ahead and hit play, and you guys can go ahead and get on the track, but I won't hit start yet. My chair is lowering. Or not my chair, my desk. This desk. Let's see. Reindeer antlers? No, that can't be a thing. It's the wrong time of
It's still
year.
there.
I need to turn that off.
I was wondering why you still had it.
Because I forgot to turn it off. Thank you for letting me know.
Okay, the new
Reject.
Purple.
Reject and refund.
I've been refunded so much tonight that it's. Dude, hold on. Let's
You gonna
unite
make me
as a
wear-
team and a force.
Are you guys gonna make me wear antlers this time of year?
Yes.
Oh my
We have
gosh.
to unite as a team.
That's like 2 votes now for antlers. I'm gonna be that silly girl on stream. Added one of your cute emotes. Thank you! Appreciate it! Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for adding one of my emotes.
Good berry.
Oh gosh,
We're
actually,
gonna be best
I
friends.
put those away. I don't even know if I have them. I'm not gonna remember to. I'm definitely gonna remember to delete those now. You guys. Why you do this to me? Why you do this to me? I gotta go in the closet. Oh, Christmas stuff
And then she's
is put
gonna stay
away.
in the closet and never come back.
Now people gonna come to my stream that don't know me, and they're gonna be like, "Why do you have antlers on?" And I'm gonna be like, "Just don't ask, don't ask, don't ask why I have antlers on."
No,
The wrong time of year.
Power of the people.
I got outvoted. That's how. Outvoted.
Power of the people.
Jeez. So I gotta wear them for what? At least 30 minutes because we had 2 redeems.
After
I don't think you got to do
6
that. I think you can wear them for a little bit and move on.
No, you're celebrating December 26th.
Yeah.
It
Yeah.
is
Apparently
your
it's
stream
Christmas
after
in
all.
January.
No, it's mine.
I know. I'm just going with it. I mean, the people want it, and I messed up and left it on there. So it's
That's
a
your
thing.
fault, not mine.
Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back. I'm gonna hit start. 1 minute on the clock. Exclamation play if you're not in here. Dreams. Exclamation play. we need an exclamation dreams. Come here.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, we definitely do. So I zoned out.
Celebrating
for a
Christmas of
fucking-
this year.
So I zoned out for a long minute there, and we were talking about fucking
What?
something. I don't know. Fucking know.
You were talking about something. That sounds. You were definitely talking about something, but I don't know what.
It sounds like I've got fucking borderline dementia. I'll tell you that.
I mean, it is late for you.
It is very late.
Late in
Pretty
age,
much, yeah.
late in
This-
all this stuff.
You
Time.
you can blame time zones and such.
We were currently hitting 3 a.m.
I
which
do it. I love
actually,
that
to
you
be honest,
do, but I can't believe you do that. Like that's like literally like
Right?
when did your day start today?
6
At what
o'clock
time?
this morning.
Okay.
Okay, and it's now what?
Uh,
You're approaching 4 or 5 a.m. or no, 3 a.m. 3 a.m.
3.
I
Yeah,
think
yeah,
I
so
did
I'm
it. I
like
think I did it.
23
I
hours.
think I
Up
got
over
all the
24
Christmas
hours.
stuff off for now.
But
I
you don't
think.
do it every day. You just do it like once.
There we go. Christmas in January has been removed.
Why?
But yeah, also this track we're on is Kiwi's track, guys. This is Kiwi's track. I forgot I was gonna pay attention. I can't get out of the tube though. There, it wouldn't let me out.
Are we going to a different
Look
dimension?
at this.
Work harder, motherfucker.
Look at this. This is so cool.
Okay, so How does
Holy
building
crap,
these,
that's
like, do
huge.
these assets exist and you just place the assets?
Yeah, all
in,
the
or-
You have to pay
pieces.
money for some of them, I think.
Okay.
All the pieces
And at
exist,
what
and you build it.
This is
Yeah,
huge.
Kiwi, did you have to
Because-
pay money to build this track,
Wow.
or is it still the ability to build tracks for free? I don't know. I haven't built tracks, and I don't know how the current system works. But inquiring minds want to know: does it cost to build, or can you build for free? 25 marble money per season to get all the pieces. Kind of annoying. Oh, yeah. It used to be like free to a degree, and then it cost
What is 25 marble money? I don't know what that means.
like
None of your hacks.
25 bucks, I'm guessing.
Like,
But
at
it can
what
you can
point
earn
did
it. You
your
can
hacks
earn marble money though.
win? Fucking good.
I get the marble.
Oh,
Do you get
probably
the?
by racing.
Yeah. Can you get it by racing? That's the question. Can you earn all the money just by racing?
Probably $9.99. That just seems about right.
Once with the exclamation play 13 when we're
Sorry to ask all the questions. We're wondering because Rex also streams and plays marbles.
Curious.
Said I was late. Stop
You
it.
get it by streaming and very occasionally in drops. Okay, so it is possible.
Well, that means Kimono, you have some somewhere.
Check your drops.
I have some marble money currencies, but I'm not sure which currency you
I
use to
have
buy
some,
tracks.
but I don't have the game, so I can't claim it.
Oh.
Wiggles.
Oh, you have to download the game. Well, no, you just use the app, right?
Wiggles.
Well, no, you have to have
I
the
don't know.
game, maybe. I don't know.
Well,
Michigan.
either or, this one looks
Went-
awesome because it has a lot of
Blonde.
everything.
I'll stream, but the menuing is actually annoying, yeah.
Kimono.
Yeah, and I do a lot. I just do the free stuff mostly.
She's talking.
Cheers.
I know.
Cheers.
Yeah, I have green tea also.
Oh,
But I didn't mean to shout.
biggest match track, and it took me a couple weeks on and off. Wow. It's
Looks
pretty
fun.
though. I love the transparent elements.
A lot of
Yeah,
it. Like,
so
this is a huge
How about
Coffee
about
nice.
you-
Yes. So good and cozy. And it's so warm on my hands.
How about you just like
Oh,
make
it's so
me
cold
all
in
really
Florida.
cozy and
The last
make
track
me
we played
all
only
really
took 3
happy
hours.
to just
Okay.
fucking win a map. Like
Shane's
fucking
gonna win them
anything.
all. You know that, right?
Yeah.
But that was the first
Fucking
race of this
hack,
Grand
man.
Prix. That
I'll
was
be
the
hacked.
first race of this Grand Prix. So you guys, we're only one race in. You've got 6 more races to grow or to go and
Really?
prove
Grow
yourself.
as a marble.
Yeah.
Okay,
Grow as a
grow.
marble. Show us how strong you
Yeah.
are.
Grow
I
as a
would
marble.
Let me help your antlers.
Play.
Yes. It helps them sparkle more. Team.
I'd love to grow and sparkle and be the
It
best
makes
fucking
the
marble
coffee makes my
player ever.
antlers sparkle more.
But no, you're
But
so
I
great.
forgot I had them on already. I can hear my antlers
myself.
growing.
26.
Thanks for playing KimonoKat. Of course.
You can take it off though.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh shit. Okay. Please, someone can.
It's kind of weird
can
to
they
say it
do
that way, but you know what I mean.
Alright.
Let's
You
see.
Mono. You
Ye-
fucking take that out of the way. I didn't mean to do that. I'll take that fucking
No, Splits. Don't
Get
worry
away.
about it.
Shane has a cup too.
someone.
I can hear my antlers. I'm trying to see what all I missed. Take
Take
it
that,
off.
get
What are
away.
you saying? What are you saying?
I said antlers take
the-
off, but
the
Start.
everybody
Oh.
implied something.
Start, guys.
The
Let's
link-
go.
The link that I sent, it was just I didn't.
That's fine. It did work.
It was a link.
That's fine. Copy pasta,
Okay,
dreams.
perfect. Thank you.
Yeah, it doesn't show up. It just shows up as 3 dots for me. Dot, dot, dot.
That's
Yeah,
cool.
yeah.
Well, make
Yeah,
sure
me
it
too.
doesn't fucking leak. That's all.
Exclamation start, guys.
Oh, did a little bit of your Scottish come through there?
No, it wasn't actually. It was a very good segment of a film, and I didn't want this fine young lady to be getting fucking discarded from YouTube or fucking Twitch.
Twitch?
So
Yeah. So like people leave my stream to watch your video, be like, "Oh, this is better."
I literally I actually unsubscribed there.
Oh, you unsubscribed for me or unfollowed me to go watch this video?
Yeah, instantly.
Sad.
I'll be honest, you're a bit
Cheers.
fucking late. I done that after the first day.
Oh,
The moment that I realized,
no.
the moment that I realized, the
Splits, you
moment
look
I
like you're
realized I
gonna-
wasn't winning anything, and it was all.
He wasn't winning, so he
I was
unfollowed.
gone. I was gone.
Oh my gosh.
Anyway,
Yeah.
Splits, you look like you're gonna tell me.
Marbles life. If they don't win, they unfollow
Join the
you.
dark
Sounds
side.
great.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Be warned. Be warned.
Yeah. What spot you won't go by you?
What's the perks of the dark side? I don't know the difference.
I don't
Get
know.
cookies.
They have cookies?
Give me what?
What? I'm going to the dark side then.
Yeah, like
That
guess what
reminds
on the dark
me.
side?
Don't tell Lady Rain. But when she was here, I forgot to make those cookies I had in the freezer for her, the peanut butter ones.
Oh, yeah. No,
They're still in the
I'm
freezer.
running here right now.
Still in the freezer. Oh.
Before we all get
Oh, that's what I was supposed to do. Unfollow. You've already tried that once. You already tried that once, Shocky. Don't do it again. Don't do it again. Oh, guys, look. Dreams is the first to not get first. Watch.
That's a good way of saying it.
Wait a minute.
We're watching him really close so that he can't get first place. That's the goal here.
Oh no!
Watch him very, very closely and intensely.
Watch him not-
I guarantee I'll get
It's
Yeah.
okay, Mr. Splints is
From even this point, I'll get
a little
Wiggles,
far behind.
come on.
Oh no, he's slowing down.
I can guarantee it.
No, he won. He won.
He's gonna skip the bowl.
Oh no! Look at Wiggles though. Wiggles got trapped. Weird. I mean,
How
that could have been
rude, how
dreams. That
rude.
could have been dreams. That could have been dreams. He could have got trapped right there at the end.
I'll be honest with you, it's awful.
I'm trolling poor
I
dreams
think we're
here.
on number 3.
Yeah.
All right.
hate that
Say goodbye to the sparkly antlers.
Hold on, like I
The
always
coffee
say,
made
Oh,
them
God,
fall
God,
off. They fell off.
Look how
Of this
slow
year.
it took me to get through that line. That fucking to get into.
All right, what color do I got in here?
And then
Here we go. We'll do blue.
Basement.
I don't know.
Do blue.
3 podiums behind me, or three people behind me.
Those are little tiny ears. My ears shrunk.
Oh, mate.
Goodbye to the antlers. Yes, you won't see them again till next year. Bye, antlers. We love you, but not until next year.
What? Wait a minute. This year, because
Oh, yeah.
Christmas is this year.
This year, not till later this year. There we go.
No, like you were celebrating Christmas this year. And
Wiggles redeemed dancing cactus. Oh my god. GG Dreams, Wiggles, and Splints, and Shocky with the
hold on, hold on,
points.
Wiggles, you're muted, but I know what you're saying. You don't have to do it.
Dude, Wiggles, you know what's funny
Alright,
is I was
just do it
just
for a
about to
minute,
redeem.
like,
I was
Just a minute.
Yeah, you don't have to do it 15.
Like, you don't have to do it for long. This is a minute.
Oh, yeah,
I
yeah.
was just about to redeem it too, dude, and then I heard I was like, oh, never mind, I don't have to.
I think it should be down.
I
to
just
5
realized this
minutes.
shirt says on the
That's
back of it, it says back of the house.
What?
Yeah.
Sheffield, back of the house.
From Kev.
Yeah.
Kev.
From Kev.
It says
I don't have that.
Kev.
back of the
I
house.
call
Huh.
him
Alright.
Yeah, I'm
Cactus
actually-
needs his
That is-
stand here.
I love that thing.
I think they should
Hooty
be-
hoo.
so he
The
can
Rubik's
do his
Cube?
thing. Yeah,
He
it's the
feels like
Rubik's
on a
Cube.
Rubik's Cube.
Yeah, otherwise he would sit down here and you guys wouldn't see him as much, so the Rubik's Cube gives him a little bit more height.
But
Yeah.
It should be a 5-minute thing, not a 15-minute thing. Yeah, I hope you have it that way.
It should be as long
Ah!
as she wants to. I just
If
want to
it's-
see
if
him
it's
for a
just
minute.
her-
Yeah, I'm
I'm
not
already
saying-
satisfied, so.
I'm
No.
just saying because it
As long
can't
as
be
she-
a
Alright,
5
minutes
exclamation
when there's
play,
two
though.
Streamers. 15 when it's one. Just saying.
Ay, ay,
You have to crack the beer open before you drink it.
Yeah, that's it.
There we go.
I was taught that in.
I
Top
see
block
you.
I can hardly hear that.
Anyways,
I'm a
Ryan,
gremlin.
what do you feel about Wiggles?
I mean, even though I can
Poor
hardly
boatman got burnt.
Oh,
there we
Ryan,
go.
Ryan.
All right, guys, y'all got
Oh,
20
Ryan.
seconds and nobody's in
Ryan
this
from
race.
Sheffield.
20 seconds. Copy pasta quickly.
85
Dreams, get
tacos
in.
equal
Dreams, get in.
85 snacks.
Dreams.
Stop posting
Jim's
links.
still
Hello.
I didn't mean to do that.
Hello.
I'm just
I'm
saying,
in.
if you eat 85
I'm in.
tacos,
I'm in.
Yeah, you're in.
I'm
Yeah,
in.
you're 85% of snack.
He
Bro,
fell off his
Ryan
cube.
is drunk. Ryan is drunk. Ryan needs to go back.
Splits, you may be a snack, but you didn't make it in the race either.
Yeah, I did.
You did not.
Oh, I posted it way too early.
Exclamation.
I'm doing good. Thank you, Raymond King. I hope you're doing
No,
awesome.
I did. I called Lady out, but that was like a previous.
Can you
Yeah.
at least say
Meow.
Ryan is drunk?
Meow.
Can you say Ryan is drunk?
Ryan is tipsy.
Right,
That's
Oh.
why he fell off his
He's a little
podium.
wiggly.
Good. I'm glad to hear it, Raymond King.
I love
Wiggle,
that
wiggle, 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 wiggle.
They became
I
a
love
bigger
that
thing.
little hockey jersey fits on him.
Right?
It's so
Oh.
perfect. It's so perfect.
It was her idea. To put it on.
Apparently I bought too many. Everybody loves to wiggle. Alright, guys. GG!
Everybody in the club gets
I'll
Just
take
don't
number
look
two.
at who
Number
won.
two.
take number
Huh?
3.
Okay, do look. It's a world record.
Hey, world record!
Nice. Yeah.
Woo!
Woo woo.
I definitely have a rig. Huh?
I wish it copied your dance too.
Oh. Like, saw what I was doing and copied my motions? See, I did get
That
extra
would be
points.
weird.
I got a 176 points, so that's like triple the normal amount of points there. Actually, more than that.
That's what you get for a world record.
Ryan from Sheffield that lives in the closet. Drunk on a Friday.
I love that you have to wait for Ryan to finish.
I know!
You can
Can't even
you can
talk.
Put him away. You can put him away. You can put him away. You can shut him off.
It should be 5 minutes.
Say
Like,
goodbye,
that's enough.
everybody.
Or even 3 minutes. That might be a good thing. 3-minute limit.
All right. He's done. Bye, Ryan. Or if Lady Rain was here. If Rain was here, she does not like his eyes staring at her, staring into her soul. So there you go.
They fought.
He's staring into your soul, guys. There you go.
They had a fight.
What
Not
guy?
again.
Because he's kind of looking
Nico,
like this way.
Heartopia's on Steam. I think is what you mean. Yeah. I saw that the other day. It looks pretty cool. Alright, I need to join my own race here. Where do I join? Where are we joining in at? There we go. Bubble in the middle. Exclamation play.
Dreams, play.
Well, we need a command for dreams that says exclamation dreams.
I would, but my hands are.
Sorry. Always distracted.
Yay.
Oh fuck, that's a link.
I
He's
have
like
an
a
excuse.
statue. Look at that little princess.
Yeah,
Look at a little
yeah,
statue.
Yeah, I have an excuse to not play this one. She's like a Egypt cat.
Let's see if this works.
Hold on.
There.
Hold on.
Odor.
exclamation.
Exclamation
You
dreams.
try to call me fucking stupid, man.
There.
Play.
There. Okay, so now you can just do exclamation dreams to call dreams out in chat and remind him to play because he does like being
Wait,
reminded.
why am I on cooldown
None,
for
none of this fucking
dreams?
exclamation
Wait,
already-
Wiggles. Dreams is on cooldown for 58
Oh, because I
seconds.
hit it. I hit it right before you did.
Yeah.
Waiver
I
exclamation.
got you.
Okay.
You can try now. Well,
Okay,
maybe
I'll wait.
it hadn't been a minute yet. I gotta go in and fix that because when you add a command that way, it automatically puts like a really long cooldown on it, and I don't know.
Yeah.
It's just a thing.
Should have no cooldown.
Yeah, I usually turn it to 0, and then the only reason it even does anything then is because it just can't do 2 commands at once. Let's see. Okay, now it's at not 1 minute. It's at 0 minutes. It has been updated to 0 minutes. Don't add me. We're gonna at Splints. All right, I'm hitting start. Exclamation play, guys. Get your marble on the track. Exclamation play. Hurry.
At symbol Splints to get your marbles in.
Mm-hmm. All right, put the cube over there.
Talk to Splints if you want your marbles in.
Put Ryan over there.
Dreams, look at chat.
Remember, you gotta do one.
Did he
with the ball.
notice? Wakey.
I'm pretty sure he's learning.
We're good now. Exclamation play. Dream play.
Yeah, no, but you see, there's a command now that we
It's
can
not
say
automatic.
exclamation dreams, and it says
Yeah. We have
see
a
the bot?
command to remind you to play. SC Haulers, welcome! Hiya!
Man,
It's
it
Sex
shouldn't
of
be this
Wine!
fucking
What? Oh my gosh, you
Hey,
changed your
yeah.
name!
it shouldn't be none of this fucking exclamation lady.
I was like, it
shit.
doesn't say you're new, so you've been here before. How are you doing, Sax? I hope you're doing awesome. I rebranded because I have a YouTube channel? Oh, okay. I'm gonna have to go check out your YouTube channel. I'm gonna have to do it. I'm gonna go check out your... Let me see if it's in your About Us. Do you have your YouTube channel in your About Us? Oh! Thing!
Kimono.
I don't need commercials. Oh, you don't have your YouTube on your... Oh, yeah, you do. You just don't have it in the About Us and the top little text section where you put your little link icons. It's not there, but you do have it in your panels. You might want to add it to that other part, too. There. Shade! I'm new to this. Hello. Mooha! Welcome, Shade. Welcome. Well, I just gave you a follow on YouTube. I did. Check it out. I'll try to like your links or like your post and give you some...
Can that link be snagged somewhere and shared in chat?
Yeah, let me do that. Let me share it. Since you're new to it. See? Good idea. There you go, Sax. What, Shade? What? Cat, Dreams, Battle Cat, with points.
I need someone to do me a small favor.
Uh-oh.
If I say exclamation play 11 or whatever the fuck else, with all due respect, Mono mentioned the command add and exclamation dreams. I want all of that fucking taken away because I think that other people will get carried away with that.
All right, we'll take it off. Wait, Lady Rain has one too, so you're not alone. She has one as well.
Okay, that's cool.
Dude, just hold on.
We're
How about this?
You weren't singled out.
Let's trial it, and if it does, like, yeah, you're definitely.
I don't mind taking it off. If it bothers him, I'll take it off. But Lady Rain does have one too. You weren't alone.
I'm just. I'll be honest. I'm just looking at it as like,
Oh, you
This
were
is
talking
different.
about SC. I thought you were talking about
this
me.
is a-
Oh.
Dreams. This is our friend's stream. No, it's not
Expedition
mine.
play, guys. Expedition play to join the race. Expedition play. Hurry, hurry, hurry to get your marble on the track. Copy pasta. 1 minute on the clock.
I don't know. I'm sorry.
1 minute.
I'm in.
This is a Grand Prix. This is race 5 of 7. 5 of 7, guys, to determine the winner. All right, 5 of 7. All right, I'm going to... Yeah, Shade, you're on you. Do you post to YouTube as well? Let me look, because you thought I was talking about you. You don't have it in your panels. You don't have it in your Twitch panels. You can't do anything. You don't have it in your panels. Not anymore. I haven't done that in years. Okay. It's okay. Everyone thought we were all winners. All right, let's check it out. 88. It's pretty tracks. But Shade, how are you doing? How is life treating you? I hope you're not working too hard. You must be off today, or did you just get off work? I forget. Don't you work like really late? If I remember right, you work really late. Hollers is on the track. We have Battlecat. We have Boatman with number 688 in the world. Right? The Bush is back. The Bush is famous. The Bush is famous because he has like a number 688. Look at that. He's fast. Okay, it's added. Sweet. Awesome. I think that was a good idea to add it there too, because it just helps. Because that's the first place I look when I go and want to follow people on other platforms, is that little box right there. You're not working for the entire month? Oh, wow. Well, I hope you get to relax some during that time, Shade. I hope you get to relax some. I hope that's a good thing that you're not working for the month. So that means we get to see you more and talk to you more. You're not relaxing, sadly. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry to hear that. I hope things get better for you. Sending hugs, Shade. Sending hugs. Hooray. Michigan says he'll send you cuddles. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Yeah. If he cuddles, he wins. GG, Michigan, Kat, Desi. Oh, yeah. You told me you got your PC back. Are you going to stream? Are you going to do any late night streams? All right, guys, this is race 6 of 7. Race 6 of 7 in the Grand Prix. Exclamation play, copy pasta. Battlecat gets burnt. Starting the race, 1 minute on the clock. Nick Dothy, thank you for the lurk, Nick Dothy. Thank you. I can try this month, but I can't promise. Of course. No pressure, Shade. No pressure. Did you spell? No, I removed it. I removed that command because he wanted it removed, so I just did.
Anyways, Wiggles, I did lick you.
Wow.
I do not have an appropriate comment that can be currently.
Wow.
You could run, but you haven't ran yet.
All
so I'm
right.
just saying.
Let's go, guys. Let's go. I love the bush. It's great. What game was that you would run around like that and hide and camouflage? So in their game like a shooter that you would run around and hide like that?
Yeah, you can. Yeah, you can like change your You can change what you look like.
Oh,
Right.
Team
like-
Torches, right? Or no?
There's probably a
No,
couple of them.
There's a couple, yeah.
But yeah, you could like
No,
be a
Team
lawn
Torches
chair
you could.
or like random stuff around and then try to blend in with the thing around you.
Oh, you're
Right?
talking
That's what I'm
about
talking
Ah!
And you got
Wiggles likes Battle Cat.
I know it. I know it. I know what it's called.
He does that a lot.
I know what it's called.
Okay. Go, go, go.
Honestly, I don't like it.
Props. Yeah.
I feel like we are in the
wow, this is an interesting.
Matrix.
Yeah.
Something.
Mate,
Let's see who gets
I'll
yeeted.
be honest with you, Props
Bots.
is
Bots
funny
deserve to
as
be
fuck.
yeeted.
Props is funny as fuck.
Another bot gets booped. Which bot's gonna get splashed?
Oh,
Ah!
God,
The
hope
same
it's
one.
I knew it. I knew it. Also, catch
bot
Pokemon. Pikachu.
I hope it's not white. I hope it's not
Kimono's the new
bot.
It's a little female Pikachu. Catch if you want to catch her.
Yeah, I don't want to catch her.
fucking. I'll poke a wee catch.
She has the little heart shape on the end of her tail.
Nah.
So she just plays with your heart.
Yeah.
I don't know.
She's here to play with your heart. Good luck.
And then murder you.
Ta-da!
Wait, hold on. So is it the tail looks like a lightning bolt, right? Am I correct in that?
Yeah, the tail looks like a lightning point, and it's pointy if it's
With
a
a heart on the
male, and it's a heart if it's a female. Heart on the end if it's a female.
Hold
Mhm.
on a minute.
So yeah, they play with your heart.
Hold on a minute.
Literally,
Hold on a minute.
that's what the
I
definition
said
is.
fucking poke catch ultra. And then all of a sudden, I have to say ultra ball.
Yeah, you have to say Ultra Space Ball.
Hey, you just won, by the way.
It tells you right there you have to
What?
use Ultra Space Ball, or yeah, to use a different ball.
Hold on, don't do that.
Hey,
Dreams got first place. GG.
Dude, your ball is
Hold on
scary.
a minute. Hold on.
All right,
You
we
were
have
very close to
Dreams,
the world record. You were
Hollers,
1 second away from
Desi,
world
and
record.
Shade.
But you weren't.
1
you're 1
second?
second off of being cool.
Oh my
Yeah.
gosh. We might have to come back to
You
that
were
track.
218.9,
Okay.
218.9, and this is
Who wants to remember the name of this track for me, and we'll come back to it. We'll come back to it. Who wants to remember it? And we'll come back to it and beat this record. Maybe I'll write it down.
That's
Hold
not
on.
my color.
It's called.
That's not my
Okay.
ball. That's not my ball.
Heart and Mind.
Okay.
Is this the purple one?
All right, we'll come back to this one. We'll beat this one. World record in this one. But we have one more race. Purple cat ears. Click the star at the top. Oh yeah.
Yep, sorry.
I forgot to favorite. Thank you, Boatman. Thank you. Pikachu has been caught by Rex.
No,
GG.
that's not my ball.
Hold
All
on.
right, Super Rainbow
Okay,
Road.
so it's just though. Hold on. It's just though heart and mind.
What?
So hard, mine.
Ta-da! Super Mario Kart. Get ready, guys. This is the last race.
If you have
This is the last race of this Grand Prix. No, we're gonna switch over to that other track and try to beat a record after this. We're gonna play it a bunch of times until we do. Dang, Shocky's at 417. Let's go.
One track, one fucking map, one course. Try and
One
beat the record.
opportunity.
Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, we'll replay it until we break the record like we've done in the past.
You
Fucking
can
hell,
you
yeah.
can look at like
Shade,
history too.
I
and
missed
look at
all
replays.
3 races. I missed all races except for 3. It's okay, Shade. It's okay. You guys got 37 seconds to get into this one. 37 seconds. Dreams, I don't. There you go. Dreams did make it.
No.
Dreams did
I
make
moved
it.
preemptively.
Hold on. Do you know what's annoying? Shane didn't
24
fucking
seconds.
and he's still in it.
Hacks, you gonna call Hacks ahead.
Preemptive.
Ooh, Shane's
Preemptively.
sneaking in there.
Fucking
Guys, he's sneaking in there.
and
He's gonna be at the
for
top of the
this, I'll
podium again.
podium.
He's gonna like
Podium didn't even
break a world record and he's gonna be at the top of the podium. Just watch.
Look, I'll be honest with you, and this might be to your excitement, but if I win a world record,
Alright.
just saying, I am signing off. I'm not going to be here.
You done? I mean, you can.
Yeah.
Michigan's done that.
Might as well close it out on a good one, right?
The world record is yours. Alright, Rex. I can't
It's not
wait.
gonna
I
get
can't
any
wait to
better
see
tonight.
it.
This is the end. I'm gonna go to sleep.
Oh,
now.
we had
Remember that I
we
do
had to
that.
redeem for cat ears. Which color was it?
Yours,
Purple.
yours
Okay.
will benefit from it.
All
Your
reindeer.
soul will benefit from it, and I leave on a high, and yeah, I think we can all
Ripper!
benefit from.
Oh my gosh, it's been so long. It's so good to see you. That's so good to see you. I hope you're keeping well.
So, just as a bit of encouragement,
I hope the new year is treating you awesome, Reaper. Welcome in, welcome. You gonna roll some marbles with us? Okay, sorry. I hit completed on the purple cat ears so that I know I did it. I did it. I really did. But yeah,
I did it.
I did it. I did it. I really did. I am. It's been so long though. It's all good. It's all good. Life, life happens and you go different directions and then sometimes you circle back around. So it's good to see you. Thanks for circling back around and saying hi. But yeah. So are you still streaming, Reaper? When are you gonna stream again? When are you gonna stream again? I ask everybody that. Desi!
Desi wins.
GG Desi. Alright. Shane should join me on Where Winds Meet. Where Winds Meet. Is that what you're currently playing? Where Winds Meet?
cheers.
Okay. Alright. We're gonna hit the button. Alright, you're gonna make guesses for the Grand Prix. This is it. I do very occasionally. Awesome. Yes, and I'm very, very, very bad at it. Oh no. Alright, here goes the Grand Prix. Third place goes to
Dreams.
Michigan. Michigan has the
Oh,
hacks.
Michigan got podium. That's your first
Yeah,
podium
finally.
tonight, right?
Second place.
Dreams. It's gotta be
But I can still coach and give tips.
Nah.
Oh, you're good at that. You're good at that. I remember playing Closers. Was it Closers? I think it was with you. Oh my god.
Wiggles!
Yes. It's been some time, but I remember.
Wiggled himself down to second place.
Wiggle. All right, first place is gonna go to Reichs, right? Reichs Goodberry. Here we go.
Yeah.
Reichs.
Yeah. You know how that's gonna happen? You know how I know that's gonna happen?
Boo.
Oh, wow.
Boo.
Wow.
Rigged.
You know how
It went to a jellyfish. As closure.
You know,
You, me, Migs, and
you
Image.
know
It was
how I-
so much fun too. It was so much fun too, Shane.
you know how I
Definitely
know it's
hacks.
not one second?
Woo! Skills. Skills. It's not hacks, it's skills.
You, you wanna know how I know?
Quick,
You wanna know
everyone.
how I know you got fucking taken?
No, you see nothing. You see nothing. You see
Wiggles, I
nothing.
feel like
That
you
that
have
didn't
faith.
happen. That didn't happen. Skills with the Z. Yes, with the Z. Skills with the Z. All right,
I'm
we're gonna
saying is,
look
yeah.
for this particular track now. It was called what? Quick Enchanted or something.
The right
Enchanted
and
Anticipation.
mind.
Yeah, see the third down?
Uh,
The
Mine.
fifth. Right, the fifth down.
yeah,
Fifth
there
down
it
from
is.
the top.
I wrote down the wrong thing then.
Yep. And then you look to the right, and it says both hacks, Wiggles / Mono. I'll take that one.
There's
please.
Dreamweaver. All right, exclamation play, guys. We're gonna get a world record on this one. We're gonna get a world record tonight.
Do it.
What if I want a universal?
Rikes is gonna get the world record, right? Rikes, you called it out. You said you're gonna get a. You said it's yours. Let's see it happen.
If I don't.
Oh,
get
it might be
all
Reaper and Shade. They jumped in here. They might get the world record. Mm-hmm.
If I don't get the black hole record, I'm done.
You might get it. You might get it. You never know.
That was funny. Just
Move your marbles out of the way. Desi, Rex, Dreams, Wiggles, Michigan, Battle Cat, Cat Shade, Reaper, Saki. Ooh, who else is gonna be here? Oh, Boatman's gonna miss the boat. Boatman missed the boat. No. He's not here to steal your world record points. I'm in the goat. Surely I get it. Let's go. I did. Let's go.
so
Okay.
the record.
Gotcha.
Yeah, Dreams is on this right hand side, so he is the record holder for my community, and then the world record holder is next to that. So
Okay.
yeah.
Nice. Okay.
It's only.
Yeah,
It's not
so-
that far off. It's like a second.
No.
Yeah.
Second
Hold on
half,
just a minute.
basically.
Hold on just a minute. Hold on just a minute. Are you telling me
It's
that I'm a
1.7
world
something.
record holder?
Let's see. All right, how's it gonna be? We're still ahead. We're still ahead. Oh, it could be Shade. Could be Shade. Oh, no, nope. Shade's getting slowed down. Battle Cat's in the lead. Battle Cat's in the lead. Oh, will it be Reaper? Let's back out a little bit. All these spirals. This track is... Let's see. Oh, Dreams is down in the lead. Dreams is down in the lead. Boost. Rex is trying to put on the... It's between Battle Cat and Dreams here. You got 10 seconds to make it to the end. Who is going to make it to the end, and are you going to beat the record? Let's see. I don't know if you're going to do it this time because it's Steve. Nope, didn't make it. Steve said no. 3 seconds off, but we're going to keep playing this track until somebody gets it. All right. Awaiting. All right, replay. Let's go. All right, let's go. Let's go. It's gonna be lots of points when it happens. It's gonna be lots of points for the lucky top contestants. Exclamation play. All right, 1 minute. 1 minute on the clock. 1 minute. Poor Shane got burnt. Play world record. Do it. Do it, do it, do it. I wonder how many races it'll take. I wonder. It may only take this one. Who knows? I've had. Who else had a world record tonight? I had one. Wiggles had one. There was 3 of us that got the world record tonight. I don't remember. Okay. Shocky. So it's Shocky, Wiggles, me. Let's see who gets it next. Also, Pokecatch if you catch Pokemon. Nimble. Nimble appeared. Nimble. That ball doesn't exist. New. Pokecatch gonna catch a world record. It's like, what kind of ball is that? It could not compute. It could not compute what you were saying. See. Reich's called the Pokemon. Let's see. We got 14, 12 seconds, 11 seconds, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Oh, we're going too slow. We're going too slow. We're not going to make it. Dang it. We tried. We did. We did try. Wiggles almost had it. Look at that. Wiggles 8 seconds though. Dreams is still the closest to it. He was like 1 second off that time. Ooh. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Let's see. Exclamation play! Poor Desi. Poor Desi. 1 minute, guys. 1 minute on the clock. 1 minute. World record right here, right now. 12 seconds. 12 seconds. It's gonna be too cold. Yeah, I don't like it. Yeah.
The joke away without saying the joke.
Okay.
Battle Cat. Poor Battle Cat. Didn't make it.
Yeah, it's not good though.
Hey, you're
Next time.
Yeah, we're just trying for. It's not a Grand Prix, so you don't like lose points. We're just
No, we're doing individual races right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, what actually happens if we do lose points, you can't play the game.
Just individual races till we get there.
I just want some. Yeah, we're all on the same team. Because if we get world record, that means we're all on the same team. So therefore, anybody.
Zoom out. Zoom in. Let's go around. Wiggles. Wiggles, 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 Wiggles is in the front again.
Yeah, but he's.
Don't tell anybody.
Wiggles is in the
I
front.
might get it. I might get it.
My.
Steve don't
so.
fuck with me. I might get this. Like I'm
Fuck
out
Steve.
there. I'm gonna get this.
Alright, we're gonna come down here and we're gonna be hopeful. We're gonna come down here and we're gonna wait.
217, you got.
We're gonna watch it. Watch it.
No,
I don't
no,
think
it's
you
too slow. We're too
No,
slow.
it's too
We're too
yeah.
slow.
Like I don't.
We're too
even,
slow.
It's not even mathing if you.
Why?
Want to Steve.
Yeah, it's
Why is the math not mathing for us?
Yeah, why were we so fast that one time?
I don't know.
Because even though
It seems so obtainable before.
Yeah, right. Because we were all like right next to each other. It's not like
Yeah. Usually it's
like Dreams got it, but like we were all
Because it's rigged. It's rigged.
Yeah,
It's rigged.
Now we're 10
luck.
seconds back.
Yeah.
It's definitely rigged. Something changed.
What do you do? Hey, Dreams, you hanging out with Steve over there for a little bit?
He's dancing. He's dancing. He's dancing. Dancing with Steve.
I don't want to dance, homie. I don't want to dance.
Hold on. I just want you to know that I.
Alright. Should we give up yet? Should we give up yet? Should we keep going?
No. I want to try again.
Going to head to bed. Alright, Dash. Good night. Nico, Dash. Get some sleep, man. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for being here. Dash is gonna join and get a world record as he walks out the door, right? Right.
No.
Maybe.
The problem is I am picking the wrong number.
Exclamation play, guys. Copy paste. Join the race for a chance to get a world record. Let's go.
I'm a man of 3
Alright, I'm gonna hit start. I hit the start button. Exclamation play. Get your marbles on the track. Oh. See. A different marble. Ooh. He's got the alien with the red eyes now. So ominous.
How do I change my marble?
You can use the app to change your skins and your effects.
Kimono, be honest with you. Can't fucking see past my nose right now.
So yeah, you'll have to do it later. Reach out to me one day and I'll show you how to do it. Absolutely right now. Right now and for real this time. Right here. Absolutely right now. Yes, I agree. We're gonna get it. We're gonna get it. Let's go. Go. Somebody's gonna get it.
Oh, yeah.
Somebody has to.
I mean, I give you all a
Go, guys. Go. And the racers are off. They've left the start line. They're headed down the funnel.
Battlecat got like a 3-meter lead in front of everybody.
Yeah.
What the hell is that all
They're
about?
headed down the trough. They're bouncing around. They're bouncing around. No, we don't need to bounce around too much. We gotta go straight. Okay. Can somebody just skip the line and just jump over some of these funnels? Because I'm sure that's what happens to win. Somebody jump. Exclamation jump, guys. Jump.
Jump.
Jump down below. Somebody needs to jump. that or get yeeted. Get yeeted across the way. Is Splint's gonna get yeeted? Splint's is not even on here, so how can he get yeeted?
Is that?
The extra yeet is on cooldown. Yes, it is that. Oh! Alright, come on, guys.
Yeah, he did.
Hurry. Whoop, Rikes is in the lead, making his way to the spirals.
Do you know what?
What?
More chance for me to win.
World record lead. NBD. What does NBD stand for? Oh my gosh. I don't know what NBD stands for. Ouch. No big deal. Okay. I haven't seen that one. In texting lingo.
That sounds like someone who has a big deal.
No big deal. Come on, Rex. No big deal. You got 15 seconds. You can do it.
It's fine. It's okay. It's cool. No problem at all.
Yeah. Oh,
It's what world records holders do. Okay. They say no big deal.
No, we're not even close. We're even close again.
No. How is this a thing? This track is rigged. Sigh. Do we need a new track? To try to break the record on? Because
we're closer. We were 10 seconds on the last one. We're 6 on this one.
Yeah.
I mean, it's
6.
you do whatever you like to do. Maybe one more try. Maybe.
Okay, one more try. One more.
We'll just call this last try. If nobody gets it.
Yeah. Last try. That's a cool looking marble, though. Look at that. That's crazy.
That's a pretty cool
That
marble.
is really cool.
All right.
It's like pistachio.
All right, guys. Exclamation play to get your marble on the track. Exclamation play. Oh, we need a luck command. Exclamation luck. Good luck to whoever, gets tagged. Exclamation luck. Who are we gonna push all our luck to today? Yo! Copy pasta! Exclamation play to get your marble on the track, guys. Hurry. 50 seconds on the clock.
I put in exclamation I win.
Exclamation I win, do it. Does that mean you're gonna win?
That's what I've won.
That's what you're hoping? You're hoping?
Yeah.
We will see.
I think the chances of me getting 2 world records in one night are slim to none, but one can hope.
Hmm.
You know, I think
Yeah.
it's funny is that apparently
Can try.
I think this is how the conversation went is that I hold the record for this channel and this map. So
Yeah.
good luck beating me.
Oh, this is my last time at trying it, so
Well,
Let's see.
you will fail.
Mona's gonna get it. Mona's the one
Me?
who's gonna get it. Yeah, she's gonna be the one. She's gonna whip that ass.
Also,
Me?
also the hacks. Yeah.
Maybe. Maybe.
I just saw your name go from first to last, like
Mona's got them hacks turned up to fucking
11.
10%.
Yeah.
11.
Hacks.
Like,
Boost.
fucking September, never ever.
Hacks and boost. Let's go.
Come on. Like, I actually want to beat my own record.
I know. You did so good that time. I can't just be random.
Well, I mean, I didn't have hacks on to win. So, come on, you fucking slimy dog, you. Win. Beat them all.
Can you turn? Do you have the ability to turn on the shadow wall?
No.
The
Like the
world
wall that
record
comes
ball?
down.
No,
Oh, the
world
ghost
record
ball.
Yeah.
I think you can follow the ghost ball with. I thought you could hit G and follow the ghost ball, but let's see.
Oh, I was so close to winning it. I was up there.
Let's see. Slow mo, sprint, forward, view. Ghost ball is G. I thought I hit G though. It's not letting me follow the ghost ball for some reason. I tried.
Yeah. No. Oh no, that's fine.
Come on, you motherfucker.
It's following Reichs instead.
Because that would be cool on tracks like this where we're trying to beat the time to
Mhm.
see like how close we are following the ghost ball all the way down.
Right? Let me look at that again though, just to see if there was something else I missed. View target.
Nah, we're not winning it. We're not winning it.
Auto cam is B. Ooh, what is auto cam?
My record still remains undefeated.
What is
We're 9
B?
seconds
Auto
up on
cam.
this one. Yeah, we can move on to track.
Undefeated.
Come back to it later.
Boatman! GG!
Sorry, Wiggles. I don't know if you
All
heard
right.
what I said there. Still undefeated.
Hey, 2 times on the podium tonight.
Hmm.
Yeah, I mean, fucking lightning does strike twice in the same place, mate. So
Apparently tonight it did. Because I got first place 2 times.
All right, exclamation play. Here's the target. I will say this is going to be the last race of the night because it's getting late and I have to get up early. So last race.
Okay, so hold on. Before you even start this, so Battle Cat is the one that's got your track record for 6 minutes, but the record is 52 seconds.
Holy cow! They must have like jumped.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fucked shit up, by the way.
They jumped somehow. That person had to jump.
That was the cleanest.
Something happened.
They must have skipped the board altogether. Yeah.
When I seen that record come through.
We're not beating this one.
Yeah, not a chance.
Glitched out. Yeah, it probably jumped past the Plinko board here and went straight to the track, and it only took 58 seconds to go down or 52 seconds to go to the track. That's my guess. Is it jumped over this wall somehow? It must have jumped over this wall right here.
Skipped all that.
Yeah,
right here?
it skipped all that and went straight to the track, and then took 52 seconds to get down there.
It is the quickest fucking
Oh, this one's closest to the center and not time. Okay, so this one's different? Although it says seconds. It says 52 seconds, though. Huh. I don't know.
Barcat's got that record, doesn't he?
Oh yeah, but
Yeah,
I
he
guess then that means
All
closer to
right, you
the
got 13
center, the more
seconds to get your marble on the track.
less penalty.
There's not a chance.
That's
Not
cool.
a fucking chance of winning this.
Nice.
Like, genuinely.
Buckshot doesn't take 6 minutes to run. Okay. Yeah. Okay. That's true. It doesn't take 6 minutes at all. That would be a ridiculously long amount of time. You're right. That would be way too long.
And what is that then?
It's measured different.
That's weird.
It's showing time. It is not time. It's distance to the circle, apparently.
Gotcha. Oh, okay, gotcha. Bullseye.
Yeah.
Okay, got it.
It threw me
Now I
off too, though.
understand. Yeah.
Thank you for clarifying that for us, Boatman.
Yeah,
Boatman's so
thank you.
smart. Boatman knows all the things marbles. If you have any questions, guys, and you play or you stream, ask Boatman. It's super confusing. Yeah. Yeah, and I feel like you have to come up here and watch it to see who's there.
Damn. Oh, damn, that's a
Nice.
fucking bullseye.
Yeah.
Oh, 25 at least. 25.
Oh shit.
Desi with the closest. There he goes. Congrats, Desi, and happy birthday again, Desi. Happy
So, it's the new
birthday.
toxic community now.
Yeah.
Congrats.
Yep. GG. All right. On that note, that is it. We're going to do a raid, and we're going to end it for tonight. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you for hanging out. Thanks for doing all the things. It's been awesome. Good night, all. Thanks, Shane. Oh, Shade and Shane. Words are hard.
Words are hard.
Rex, I was also seeing you tonight. Thanks for being here. Okay, we're gonna do all the raid commands. You guys can pick which one you want. Okay, you want Cookies or Riot? You want Cat Raid? Whichever one you want. The person we're gonna raid is not gonna mind any of those. So.
You're gonna raid me, aren't you?
You're not streaming. Are you streaming? Are you streaming marbles? Can I raid you?
Just give me a couple, maybe 5, and maybe 10. And
What?
I'll get
Money. LOL. All right. They're lurking. They're listening. They're playing. Oh, we're gonna raid Boatman. He knows everything now. There's no secrets. I'm sorry, we can't surprise you. Oh, there we go. Raid Boatman. Again, copy pasta, guys. Copy pasta. We want Cookies or Riot. So, yes, Shocky, you get to deal with more Boatman. Look at that face. But yes, thank you guys. Thank you for being here. I will catch you guys next time. Should be Sunday. I should see you guys Sunday. Maybe Monday. I'll let you know. Maybe both.
Are you doing
I might do both this week. I might do Sunday and Monday. Because I don't have to work Monday. So I may do some Animal Crossing. Because they did those updates and I'm curious. So Sunday I'll probably do Stardew. And I will see you guys then. Good night, everyone. Bye.
Good night.